Yeah, the audio is captured. Have to do this.
Now I realize why he said like this. No one get a easy A for this subject.
Huh?
Now I realize the very first lecture he said, you remember, no one get a good result for this subject. Good grade for this subject.
Really? No worries. We'll ask someone on the street if they know how to do it. If there is any viewers actually. Is there any category called Netsim? Networking?
Yes, মনে হয় বুঝতে পারছি, আমি জানি না।
Bro,
এখানে একটু try
Unlock the
করে
sixth
দেখি।
sense.
Huh?
Sixth sense.
কি sixth sense?
Sixth sense. Sixth sense for doing
Yeah.
by doing Netsim.
এমনে হবে না।
We are doing Netsim. Sorry, Nita stream. I'm using my previous configuration of the previous. Reference to the interface tree. Tree.
আমি কি করলাম? আমার সবাই পেয়ে গেছে।
Yes. Welcome to the zone. Where is the confidence?
রাম তো হবে ভাই।
ক্লাসে দিয়া তো রান হইবই।
না,
আমার মনে হয় কি ওই L3 এর সাথে দুইটা কানেক্ট দেই নাই দেখা মনে হয় চলতাছে। আমরা কাইটা দিলাম না?
দে কানেক্ট দে।
কানেক্ট দেওয়ার পরে তো রান হয় না।
আমি তো কানেক্ট ছাড়াই তো রান করাইছিলাম। আমার বেস ভেরিয়েন্টটা তো তারই আছিল না।
হ্যাঁ?
আমারটা তো তার আছিল না। আমারটার কি সমস্যা?
তাইলে বুঝলাম না ভাই। প্রত্যেকটা আইপি ক্যালকুলেট করে দিছি।
It's not problem with
আমি
the
নতুন
IP.
আরেকটা প্রজেক্ট খুলি ভাই।
এই মিয়া কি কর?
কিচ্ছু করার নেই। দেখি কি হয়।
It's not a problem.
Yeah.
Because Hassan saw that I just put the every IP properly, but it's crashing.
Router.
Hello, that much.
Router. Bismillah.
Bro, are there any
No. Wait.
modes for your
It's
laptop?
doing simulation. No. Sorry. It's doing simulation.
Oh no, I'm not asking. Are there any modes for your laptop? Balance mode or
আচ্ছা
power
ভাই,
mode?
আমার মনে হয় রাউটারের সাথে
Remotes.
ভাই আমার মনে হয় রাউটারের সাথে রাউটার কানেক্ট করার দরকার নাই।
And we'll try again.
স্যার বলছে করতে।
নাহলে ব্যাকআপ কই দিয়ে থাকবো?
ব্যাকআপ থাকে না।
না ব্যাকআপ থাকবে না বলতে কি, আমার তো দুইটারই ইন্টারনেট আছে, ও তো এখান থেকে দিচ্ছে। এখন এটা যদি কাজ না করে, এই সুইচ তো ওর থেকে ইন্টারনেট নিতেছি, এই সুইচের সাথে সুইচ কানেক্ট করে দিব।
Power mode one time. And we'll check it then.
বুঝেন নাই?
পাওয়ার মোড।
আমার এই দুটো আলাদা থাকবে, কারণ আমার দরকার ওদের ডিফল্ট আইপি নেওয়া।
কথা খারাপ বলেন নাই,
তাই না?
কথা খারাপ বলেন। What is simulation time?
আমি বলি
The same thing with the switch.
হ্যাঁ।
আচ্ছা।
ওইখানে একটা ঝামেলা করছে ও, কারণ কোনটা থেকে নেট নিবে ও তো বুঝতেছে না। ডিফল্ট কোডটা একটা দেখাইতেছে।
কথা ঠিক আছে।
বুঝছেন না?
What is that?
এটা আমার কানেক্ট করার দরকার নেই, এটাকে আমি আলাদা করে দিব। কানেক্ট করলে তখন আমার ক্র্যাশ লাগে যেতেছে। সো ওর জন্য ডিফল্ট
Crash, I am already crashed, I guess. Something is
See how.
How to delete where?
Huh?
How to
নাম্বার
delete
উপরে
where?
ক্লিক কর, নাম্বার উপরে রাইট ক্লিক।
how to delete NDP.
আমি আরেকভাবে রান করে দেখি, বুঝছেন?
Let's clear it from the root. How to delete our own.
No, no.
How to delete the Netsim owner.
Yeah. No. I said how to delete this subject from everyone's memory. So in everyone some hard feeling back of their head.
Trying?
Hey, I just remove the wire, man.
Which word?
The router's wire.
What?
The router should be wireless. Why do you need wire, man?
Everything isn't making sense, so let it be.
Let's try some nonsense.
Yeah. That's it.
What is this simulation type? 100 seconds.
What if without using gateway?
AES করতে দেয় জানি? AES
Application.
furniture. তো AES
কোনো একটা অপশনের ভিতর আছে।
আচ্ছা, ধরেন যে রাউটারটা কাজ করবে ওর থেকে তো অটোমেটিক ইন্টারনেটটা নিবে, তাই না?
Noble. Call Suhail. What?
No, you can call.
What? Why?
Huh?
Are you scared or something?
Sort of what?
I don't know. That's what I'm.
No,
Then why you saying?
no, bro. He'll say it's difficult. You cannot understand. It's better not to call him.
We call Osama.
Yeah, we can, but he's busy.
With what?
He's preparing himself to,
When
for
is
Microsoft.
it?
Huh?
When is it?
I don't know. Maybe today.
Assalamu alaikum, brother. How are you? Are you done with your NDP? Can you repeat that, please?
I just woke up.
Okay, because we are.
I was about to call you that you sitting with him.
Okay, we 5 people are sitting here. Okay, and we are trying everything we can. Our like everything is good. We configured like each and every setup. Everything we have done properly, but it is crashing.
Crashing.
Yeah, it's crashing. Like, is it because of maybe too much configuration or something like that?
No, if something is crashing, how it's crashing it? Not responding.
Sorry. Yeah, it's. Wait, I will. Wait.
You got the image.
Yeah. See, I've sent you the photo.
আপনাদের সবার কি ডিফল্ট অ্যাড্রেস ডিফল্ট গেটওয়ে নিয়ে প্রবলেম হচ্ছে?
পুরোটা নিয়ে সমস্যা।
পুরোটা রান না, আমার তো রান হইব। আমি তো চিন্তা করতে আমার নিয়ে ডিফল্ট গেটওয়ে নিয়ে।
100% শিওর।
না ভাই হইব।
করেন।
Yeah, nobody is also here. He's confident, but his confidence is decreasing by the second. So He was so confident in the beginning, but now, yeah, I've sent you the photo. It's crashing.
Something is not correct. Okay, give me Anidas.
You what?
Anydays.
Anidas.
Giving.
Okay.
Step will message.
Okay, Ishtiaq will text you.
Okay, Ishtak is also there.
We are at their apartment. Ishtiaq Shaheen, Aftab, Noble, and me.
Baka also
No.
message.
Yeah, Bakar messaged me too. I told him, bro.
ওরে
Even I don't know.
শালারে। আবার এবার দেখেন, এবার কি করছি, এটা খাতে এটা আমি আর কানেক্ট করি নাই।
Okay,
হ্যাঁ,
give me Anidas.
এবার কি করছি খালি এটা দিছি।
Yeah, he will text you.
তাও ডিফল্ট অ্যাড্রেস এটা নিতেছে, ডিফল্ট মানে ডিফল্ট গেটওয়ে। তার মানে এটা খাতে এটা কানেক্ট করা যাবে না,
না,
তাই না? এটা কানেক্ট করা যাবে না, এর খাতে আমি এগুলো দিতে পারবো।
আপনি অনেক কিছুই শিখতেছেন কিন্তু but your learning is meaningless right now. If
Meaningless,
you can do
meaningless.
the simulation, the learning you do, the knowledge you gain is all meaningless.
What's it?
Huh?
What is it?
He is experimenting with little nodes, little switches and little router to see which connects which and which gets the default gateway of which. That's why I said that this knowledge is right now is meaningless. We have to complete the simulation.
আচ্ছা ভাই, ডিসেবল জানি কেমনে করছিলেন? ধরেন আপনি একটা রাউটার ডিসেবল করে দিলেন, কেমনে করবেন এটা?
আপনারা করছিলেন, আমি তো খারাপ আছিলাম।
এটা করেন না ডিসেবল?
আমার তো হয়ই নেই এখানে।
তাহলে আমার তো হইব, দাঁড়ান।
So funny, bro, so funny, man.
না, আমার আইএসপি দুটো লাগবে না, আমার একটা আইএসপি
He have texted you.
আইপি আমি সেমই দিতেছি। লেটস সি।
What?
আফতাব।
Yeah,
Yeah, what after?
wait.
No, his name is
Yeah.
Yeah, who told you after?
I thought Aftab is with you guys.
Yeah, he's with us. We all are here. No worries.
Depression mode.
He said he's in depression right now.
Yeah, he's in depression.
Don't worry about it.
Our brother will save us.
Yes.
Our brother will save us.
Yeah. Would you like to introduce now?
You know what we are doing right now? We are live streaming. Netsim.
Just give me my assignment, you know.
Just asking him, is he use the L3 or L2 switch?
এনিটেক্স কি আপডেট হইছে?
I don't know.
Azim,
Yeah.
just ask him, is he use the L3 or L2 switch?
Bro, he's not done, bro. He's not done it. So how would he? Bro, because we are doing with L3 switch, but it's not working.
Yeah, just give me a moment. Man, just give me a moment. I'm just giving my assignment to, you know, ChatGPT or Perplexity.
Okay, then call me.
নিহাল ভাই আপনি আমার ইয়ে দিলেন কেমনে?
Stay on call, stay on call.
Ah, okay.
কি
এনিডিস্কে?
Sleep again.
এনিডেসে কি হয়েছে আপনার কি রিকোয়েস্ট আছে?
হ্যাঁ
Same network এর জন্য maybe.
what the hell, এই যে বাইরে
You guys are on same network.
সেম নেটওয়ার্কে চলে আসে না? জানতাম না।
What?
সেম নেটওয়ার্ক।
I just
No,
accidentally
don't talk in
connected.
your language. If there is a one
Accidentally
person
connected means
saying
what is
the
that?
room,
Yeah.
who don't understand the.
Accidentally
Okay.
To
No worries, man.
এনিডেস।
No, it's not me saying like it's actual thing.
Yeah, because it's not that much important that we are not.
Yeah,
Listen, is it on speaker?
yeah. Okay, wait.
Hey, no, bro.
Hey, no.
Yeah.
You know, तुझे हमारे काम कर दो तो शराब
Yeah, তুই আমার দাম করবি শালার পুত।
He's swearing in our language.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
You taught him.
Of course, man.
Don't worry means you can do anything.
Both means
It's
sun.
I shall have configured the Anyways.
it's a very bad language.
Okay, let it be then. Let it be. But what are you doing?
I want to give him the invitation for the
You
anything.
don't say hi to him. You
I
just
cannot
throw it out of the
Why
window.
Checking new version. I just
No,
installed.
bro, see,
Sorry.
wait. I am just coming.
Where are you from?
You're coming here.
No.
You can if you want to. We would
Yeah.
appreciate it.
And did you have team viewer?
Do you have TV?
No, TV is not good, man. It's
But
not-
I cannot configure the AnyDesk. So the AnyDesk is changed.
Why?
I'm showing the. I'm giving you the.
Show me on the video or something.
He's sending you screenshot.
Download the Rust text.
He sent you the screenshot.
Or give me the invitation link. I just downloaded it. Because AnyDesk is changed so much. The remote access.
Oh, you don't need to do anything, man.
Okay,
Like,
then.
first we need to download.
Yeah.
Okay. Run it.
Yeah.
Close it.
Yeah.
I'll ask you to install it. That's it.
I've run it, but it's this interface it's showing. The interface is showing this.
Okay.
What?
Oh man. That's all it is. Selected the wrong one.
Maybe.
For here. Underscore final. Underscore final. Let the game begins. Okay, so now I've given that to my team. Oh, this is good, man. The interface is good. Yeah. Here's
Yeah. You're listening.
yeah. Close it, and it will ask you to install it.
Close it.
It closed, uninstalled, everything I done. Wait, I'm doing it another time. Maybe.
Anyways, I can connect to this same anyways. Okay. Same one. I'm not able to make any changes, but I would be able to see it. So keep it up.
Wait. But the address is changed. I'm giving you the address one more time.
Okay.
Wait. 1, 9, 7, 6.
singing
Yeah.
old Bollywood songs.
It's working. Prank. Here's
There is the camera.
There is the camera. Yes. Dimitri,
exactly.
accept.
Dimitri. I don't know Dimitri at all.
The wonderful question.
Okay, done. But give me a one thing. I'm just
Okay.
wait. Yeah.
Spoon free.
Yeah, this one.
Oh my god.
Okay, you can delete it if you want.
Oh, you have configured each and every no.
Yeah. So is
That's
that
crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy.
So are you not supposed to do that?
No, so how?
Why?
system
Wait a moment. Okay, I understand. Whatever.
Okay, so
I told you guys
Mm.
That-
it was just
So it's running, right?
this is 18.
what it was.
Okay, sorry. Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What have you done here, man?
So what should I supposed to do?
Who is
Please.
doing this?
Yeah.
Me, I made
Okay,
this.
tell me one thing.
Okay.
Okay, tell me one thing.
Okay.
I'll give you an example.
You will be teaching us. Okay. Thank you so
Just
much.
give me a second. Okay, let's just take an example that this is the L2 switch,
Okay.
and these little babies are here.
Okay.
Okay. Um, this is one lab.
Okay.
Okay. How you are configuring the IPs? Just type the IPs here.
How will I configure it?
Yeah, like how you are going to configure the IPs here.
Because maybe the each PC got the different IPs.
If each PC getting different IP,
Yeah,
you
making
have
fun of me
same
again.
subnet, right?
Wait. Yeah, it should have the same.
See, should follow the same subnet. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see here. Okay.
Okay.
It's 192.168.18.1.
Yeah.
Okay. On the same network,
Yeah.
because this is the same lab, right?
Yeah. Similar.
You have typed 168.19.1.
Yeah.
Then 20.1,
21. Yeah.
22.
Close to 33. Yeah.
All of these IPs are for separate networks.
Okay. All are these for separate networks.
Yeah,
So
you have to make changes in here.
one.
Last bit.
Last bit.
Yeah, let me see how you have set this. Yeah, you're using class C,
Yeah.
so it should be 18.1, 18.2, 18.3, 18.4, 18.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
No. But
Okay.
we already came this side and it showed the error. 18.1.
8.1.
Okay, and this IP and this IP,
Okay.
no, it
তো
is
আমাদের তো কাজ করছিল না আমরা যে করছি
No,
ভাই
two IP. Yeah, it is targeting the L3 and L2 also because we just connected both into the both, but the gateways are different.
and this like if you're using 18.1, okay, it should be added here, here, and here, and that should be followed here as well, here as well.
So every IP would be same.
Okay, okay, no, same, no, same. 18.1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah,
5, 6,
yeah.
7, like this. Okay,
Understand.
on lab,
Okay.
okay, and from here two connections will be there,
Don't
right?
get
It
only
means
work
that
for these
they are
windows.
getting believe you need to add the same 18.1 or whatever it is on both sides.
Okay.
Whichever is connecting.
Hmm.
Okay. But gateway.
Yeah, gateway.
On here, their gateway should target this one and this one.
Yeah.
One. Okay, one at a time. The gateway should first you need to okay, do it like this. Okay, don't configure everything at once.
Okay.
Okay, I'll give you a friendly suggestion here. Just add two routers, two L2 switches, two L3 switches. Make same kind of connections between them. First configure that. Okay, first configure that portion. After that, switches as per the labs.
Okay.
Then configure them with one single PC. Okay.
Okay.
Each one PC at one place. Okay. Make it simple.
Okay.
First make it simple and then start doing. You just need it. First you need to
configure
achieve this thing. Okay. Okay. After this, add L2 switches, like four L2 switches, and one PC at the same time. Okay. Then configure those. Make it working.
Okay.
Okay. After that, what you need to do? You need to add the nodes, right? Once a lab is configured, you can add multiple PCs. Okay. For the same configuration here. First, you need to do this two routers, two L2 switches, four L2 switches. Use it.
Yeah.
I'll help you guys.
I'm doing it on the spreadsheet. He's so chill. I can make the. You can.
I'm just placing it. Make sure. You're choosing two L2 switches. And Global Genius is there. Global Genius doesn't know this.
Nobel Genius also came here.
For what?
We also are.
Yeah, for each lab, right?
Yeah, for each lab.
Okay.
I am making it against this one gets down and this one gets down and this one is getting down. It needs to be connected to the other. Okay.
Yeah, every switch is connected with everyone.
Yeah, and if this is getting down.
কিরে ভাইয়া এখন তো বুঝতেছি না বাপ
L4, yeah.
Okay. So if this baby is getting down, it should have a connection here. And if this baby is getting down, it should have a connection here.
But the last switch 6 and 7 also connected with the switch 4 and 3.
Yeah, I'm doing that.
Okay.
Wait this.
Okay, no worries. That time.
We have 2 days.
Okay, this is the basic thing. Okay,
Yeah.
expand this a little bit so that it will be clearly visible that which connection is this.
Can I use the access point also for the wireless?
Access point is the same. I think you just need to configure, one PC here.
Yeah. Okay.
Access point is nothing. It's just,
Yeah, extension.
If you want to, you can just, okay, if you want to, let me have 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a connection. execution layer. Then we're going to do the access point.
আচ্ছা জিজ্ঞেস করুন তো রাউটার থেকে কি রাউটার কানেক্ট হবে নাকি?
না ওই যে
হবে না।
Main corporate, main corporate,
No, no,
main
no.
corporate.
No, it won't.
রাউটার সাথে রাউটার কানেক্ট হবে না।
No.
No, no, well,
তাইলে ওএসপিএফ হবে কেমনে? স্যার যে বললো
ওএসপিএফ তো এটা না
OSPF so it's not the OSPF.
ওইটা ওএসপিএফ না,
No.
আমাকে রানা ভাই বললো এটা নাকি ওএসপিএফ।
No, no.
ওটা আগে
Because this design
Call
is made
him.
by
tell
Usama
him to
brother.
explain the OSPF again.
Yeah.
I know what OSPF is.
did I miss anything?
No, no, nothing. You didn't miss anything.
Nobody just missing some of his mind.
I just miss my life, man, and nothing else. You didn't miss anything.
Need something there are biscuits also.
Oh, it's not.
Bye. I need charge only 15%.
No port available, man.
Remote song.
Just remove my charge.
আচ্ছা আমাদেরটা তো ওদিন রান ছিল, তাহলে আমাদেরটা ভুল কেন?
Yeah, English.
হ্যাঁ
English. Total English.
স্যার না বলছে রান হইলে দিব, তাইলে
Power bank use করতে?
So let's now start again. Now start configuring it.
ওকে ওটা বলেন আইপি দিতে আইপি।
I'm starting. So for that, first I need to configure it in the here. And
Yeah,
it's for
Ethernet 1
L-
and 2.
L3 switch 4. So suppose okay, that I will give it 2.
Okay,
Done.
done.
And now for that router, should the IP is gonna change or
No, it should be same.
it should be same?
Yeah,
আচ্ছা এলজি সাথে এলজি কানেক্ট থাকবে নাকি জিজ্ঞেস
না
করুন তো?
No, no.
ভাই আমাকে থিওরি তো আমাকে থিওরি
Okay. So for that,
fireworks.
for the first L3 switch, I have the L2 switch connected. Okay. But here is the router 1 and router 2. First
yeah,
I
you need to allocate the same IP
allocate the
as router 1 and router.
same IPs. From the router 1, this IP
It has
1.1.
already got the gateway.
Yeah.
You need to allocate the IP in the same subnet. If you're using 168.2, and it should follow the same 2.2.
2.2.
Yeah, it should be
Okay,
the same
okay.
network.
I understand it now.
বুঝছেন?
But the router 1 is also 2.1. So here, what should I do? 2.3 or something else?
No, wait. Which have you configured here? It
Yeah.
was for
It was for in the physical layer, yeah.
ওটা
Router 1.
বলেন না, এটা আসতে বলেন না।
it was for router 1, okay?
Yeah.
কি বলে?
And the interface 4 is for router 2. Physical layer, yeah, it's for router 2, but it's the default gateway is showing 2.1. See?
Yeah, it should be redundant, right?
Yeah.
I think it should be redundant. Wait.
ও যেমনে করতেছ না আমি
This
করতেছি
is L2 switch. This is L2. Because one is router 2, router 1, L2. Okay, so router, make it like one as 2.1 and one as 1.1.
Yes.
Let's see what happens.
Okay.
Because it is small network, so you can make errors, and get this.
So in the router 2, I think 1.1. No, sorry. 2.1, so it will be 1.1.
But I paid receipt.
So here it will be 1.2.
Yes.
Then for the switches, other switches L2.
Okay. For the L2 switches, you need to follow the same. Okay. From here, what you're doing, okay, you need to hit one gateway here.
Yes.
Okay. Like, take an example that you are going to hit the same gateway.
ভাই
Same gateway.
আমরা
Because
জাস্ট
that
আমরা
gateway
সাবমিট
will
করলেই
go
বি
both
পাবো
sides.
Both sides, yes, sir.
বুঝছেন if you
Wait.
submit anything we will get B
It should be
so
here.
I think we don't need to
Yeah.
Photo.
To
to
I got
take
it.
this
I
as
got
a
it.
balance
It was
This is
router
one
one,
of-
right?
Yes, the
No, no,
router
who
1
told
got
you that we will get
2.1.
B?
bro he get B
And
this
this
is
is
nothing
router
this
two.
shit
Okay.
Yeah.
it's assignment
One same.
Same.
he took 2 routers
Yeah.
and and 4 layer 2 switches then connect to this and see Arabic style
Both IP address
and
will
he
be
got
same.
B
No, no, finally he
Both
he will
IP
get that.
addresses
He
will
Yeah, I
be
think so.
he not
No,
gonna
I
get
don't
the
think
utility. It's not a way.
Who is the guy?
I don't know
Just forget about that one. Just we need to understand. It is exactly.
And now configure for the router one. This one, okay. This router one and router two. See, you've got. Oh, why the hell it's only targeting 1.2.1?
2.1. Everything is targeting 2.1. There's the issue.
শালা মানে এমন এক অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট দিছে চুদির ভাই মানে এটা তো ভাই নেটওয়ার্ক ইঞ্জিনিয়ার রাখবো আমরা কি লাগে এরকম
Make it 1.1 because
Okay.
we need to give
আমার হয়েছে সবগুলা
two
সবগুলা
sides.
কম্পিউটার আলাদা আলাদা করে দেখতেছে
তোর হয়ে গেছে?
Hello?
Yes. Yes, I'm hearing.
না না ভাই এটা তো হবে কিন্তু উসামা যেটা বলতেছে আমরা তো ডিফারেন্ট ডিফারেন্ট নেটওয়ার্ক নিছি আমরা ডিফারেন্ট ডিফারেন্ট নেটওয়ার্ক নিতে পারবো না মানে যেটা আমি আপনাকে ওইদিন
Yes,
বলছিলাম
we
এটা
need to give the
এবার আপনি বললেন না ডিফারেন্ট
different
ডিফারেন্ট নেটওয়ার্ক
subnets
নেওয়া
for
যায়
different networks.
হ্যাঁ তো
You mean
সাবনেটিং হচ্ছে কি যখন আমরা যখন ইয়ে দিব না 24 যে ইয়ে আইডিয়া ওইটাতে আলাদা ক্যালকুলেট করতে হয় লাইক 255
So I need to
255
change the
255
default gateways
252
for
এরকম আর কি এড করা যায়
everyone.
ওই জায়গায়
everything.
হচ্ছে টাফ এগুলো দরকার নাই তাই না
এই যে আমার এটা দেখতাছেন this is in the same subnet it's 9.2 9.3 9.4 7 8 9 it's all
এটা ঠিক থাকলেই তো হইলো আমার হ্যাঁ
yes
আমিও সেটাই জানি
it's okay I think it's working
তাহলে ওরা তো পাঠাতেছে কেন আমি তো বুঝলাম না একটা জিনিস একটু দিলাম
সাবধান
হ্যাঁ সাবধান রাউটার 2 4.1
4.1 ই দেওয়া আমি চেঞ্জ করছি এগুলো সবগুলো
আচ্ছা এটা রাউটার 2 কই
বুঝুন
রাউটার 2 4.1
হুম
আচ্ছা রাউটার 1 কি দেওয়া
1.1
1.1
Yes, it's running.
এই যে এখানে আবার 4.1
তাহলে সমস্যা নেই
আমিও তো এটাই করলাম কিন্তু বুঝলাম না
if it's running don't mess with anything that's the logic yeah
It's running. Perfect.
We can just submit this.
I understand what
Yeah, the
is,
right part is-
what is.
One of the factors.
Oh, it doesn't.
তার মানে একটা রাউটার যদি কাজ না করে অটোমেটিক্যালি নিবে না, আমাদেরকে কনফিগার করে নিতে হবে, বুঝছেন?
এটার মধ্যে নিবে না, কিন্তু রিয়েল লাইফে ওটা এলসি সুইচটা অটোমেটিক করে ফেলে।
ও রিয়েল লাইফে সেইখানে করবে না।
Nobel keep quiet, man. He's
ফাক ইউ সাম।
This L3 switch is targeting this
Okay.
two IPs,
Yes.
and this L3 switch is targeting two IPs. Okay,
Yes.
so it is redundant. The entrance which we have made here, we had made here as well, but on of like alternate entrance on this switch. Okay, it's just like that they have two IPs there. Okay,
Yes, only two IPs. Yeah.
and it has two IPs as well. So it, if for example this switch is getting down, this switch is not
Yes.
working. Okay, but this switch is supposed to get like 1.1. Okay,
One
so it is taking that 1.1 from
from
here.
here, yeah.
Okay, so that's why it is redundant.
Hmm.
So both side 1.1, 1.1, and here 1.1, 1.1, 1.1, 2.1, 2.1.
Yes.
Because on both ends there are two IPs.
Hmm.
Okay, after this, what we are going to do? I would suggest to make it on different scale. Okay, what I'm gonna suggest you here, for example, this is the L3 switch. Okay,
শিওর তো রাউটার সাথে রাউটার
this
কানেক্ট
is
হবে
the
না?
Ethernet.
না, দেখেন একটা জিনিস খেয়াল করেন, এই যে আমার রাউটার, ওই রাউটার, এই যে এই দুইটা রাউটার, ঠিক আছে? এখন ধরেন আমার এই রাউটারটা নষ্ট হয়ে গেল,
Let us switch.
আমরা তো হ্যাঁ, তার তো আমার দরকার নেই।
ধরেন তারটা নষ্ট হয়ে গেল, তার দিয়ে আমার কি লাভ যদি নেটিয়ান আমার না হয়? কিন্তু সুইচের ক্ষেত্রে এই সুইচের সাথে ওই সুইচ দেওয়া হয়েছে এই কারণে যে একটা তার যদি নষ্ট হয় ওইটা এই সাইডের থেকে যাতে আবার নেট নিতে পারে।
আবার এলসি সাথে এলসি আবার কানেক্ট হবে না।
ওই যে সেম সেম থিওরি, একটাই যেটা হাব আমার মেইন, এটা নষ্ট হয়ে গেলে তার লাভ নেই।
এটাই তো।
Like Ethernet. I used to do it in 10, so I'm comfortable. Okay, keep it like 166, 65646. Okay, 166.
Why do we need to change the second one?
তাইলে ভাই তাহলে ডাব্লিউ, ও তাহলে আমাদের ডাব্লিউ ম্যান থাকবেই না।
Get confused.
তাহলে
But
আমাদের
the
ডাব্লিউ ম্যান
subnet
থাকবে না।
what should be the subnet?
এই যে
না, ডাব্লিউএন থাকবে না তো, ডাব্লিউএন শুধুমাত্র রাউটার টু রাউটার কানেক্ট।
তাহলে এখন ঠিক আছে।
If this is 255, then 00, then all you need to make changes here.
Yeah, I know that, but I want to work it in the class C.
Class C.
Yeah, for
Okay.
that you need to
Make it
168
166. One.
and last one 255 and 0. Yeah.
Okay, so what we're going to do, is 66.
We need 166 or 168.
166.
Okay.
From L3 switch, we can change the IPs that are connecting.
আচ্ছা
Yes.
ধরেন আমাদের চারটা নেটওয়ার্ক,
Okay,
Okay.
we can
আমি
change
যখন
that.
মেসেজ পাঠাই যাবে তো?
হ্যাঁ, ওইটাই তো চেক
আমি তো
দিতেছি।
ব্লক করতেছি না।
না, এই যে প্রত্যেকবার তো এই নেটওয়ার্ক থেকে ওই নেটওয়ার্কে তো পাঠাতেছি এই কারণে।
It is 166 with this lab, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Remember that. And now we are going to make changes here.
No, maybe you just change the L to switch 5s.
I make it 5.
Yeah, you make it the 5 into the 5. Check it.
Oh, okay, lab.
Yeah, see?
Oh,
5.
okay, lab.
problem. Big problem.
Mm.
No problem. Because I'm dangerous.
All the gateways will be the same 2.1.
Yeah, make it 2.1.
It is 2.1.
No, it's the default gateway. Oh, the default gateway is not an issue.
Yeah, until unless it's setting, because what is happening here is if you're adding 2.1 here, okay, it is checking 2.1. It will go from here.
Because there.
It will find that 2.1 is here and here as well. Okay, then it can go anywhere. From here, it will find that it is on both ends. So it can go anywhere. It won't be an issue. Until unless it's working, it's working.
ও তাহলে ডিফল্ট গেটে কোনো ইস্যু না
It's easy.
No.
It's easy, bro.
Okay,
It's
default
easy.
gateway is it. Okay. Yes, it's easy.
Because you are getting it from any end. Okay. What we are going to do, we will see the option to disable any zero, which then we will see.
Okay.
Okay, so this is L5, which we have configured.
Yeah.
And now we need to configure this one.
Switch
Switch to
8.
L. Switch 8. Oh, the response time is getting slow.
Getting what?
Smooth.
Your slow, the internet is slow.
Oh, the internet is slowing.
Yeah, I'm getting
Yes.
the response very good. Again, it's just not appears.
আচ্ছা প্রত্যেকটা ল্যাবের ডিফল্ট গেটে কিন্তু সেম দেখাচ্ছে সমস্যা হবে না
না
ভাই ওকে বুঝা বলতেছে আদৌ
হ্যাঁ কাহিনী আছে একটা কাহিনী আছে এটা বলতাস
আচ্ছা আপনি পরে বলেন
69 1 okay this will be
আমি কি হবো ডিফল্ট গেটওয়ে দিয়ে কি হবো ডিফল্ট গেটওয়ে হইতাছে গিয়া যে নেট ধরা দিতাছে আমার নেট তো আইতাছে আর আমার ডিফল্ট গেটওয়ে
যখন এটা পাচ্ছে
তখন চেঞ্জ করতে হবে যখন একটা ডাউন হয়ে যাবে এখানে তো আমার ডাউন হয়ে গেলে দেখাই দেব না
I'm changing it
Yeah, no response time.
yes my net is
Is it starting?
yeah I have changed the
Yeah, make both at the same.
yes okay switch 8
আপনার কাজ করছে
wait I'm changing the so you give it 69 8 and the last one will be changed
What do you think? Everyone puts it in second. 6 8. 6 8 for what?
no you just typed it that's why no yeah you change the layer to switch 8's IP I just yeah that's maybe I saw it
just don't do it
no he didn't get the response time that's why I changed it okay
6 3.
6 3 okay
Yeah, I think it was 6 3. And then you also yeah, so not IP is not updated, man.
yes the IP doesn't update now maybe it was, yeah 63 1 63 1 yes 63 1 so
Yeah, this one. We first changed it.
63 1 so it would be 63 2 okay
Yeah.
so this word
What happened to you, bro?
is 1 2
ভাই
and
আমার
it is
পার্সেন্টেজ আসছে কিন্তু
63.
জিরো আসলো কেন হ্যাঁ
now we can run
কেমনে কইতাম ভাই
পার্সেন্টেজ সব জিরো কেন হলো Unable to open config file due to the following error. Duplicate unique value.
Oh, so
Declare
same
from
thing.
device
Yeah,
configuration.
the same
কি
which I
ডুপ্লিকেট
got
দেখাইতেছে ভাই বুঝলাম না তো
switch. Yes.
63.1. Okay.
Yeah.
55.
Yeah.
Let's do it from 55.
Mhm. Okay. It's for the yes.
Run.
Also yeah, I need to check it here also.
আপনার কাজ করতেছে
Yeah.
One.
এটা রান করলে দুই সাইড হয়ে যাবে 2 লাখ
But it-
হয়ে গেছে 2টা লাখ কাম করতেছে এবার
Oh,
3 আর
but
4 নম্বর লাখ নিয়ে কাজ করতে
in
হবে।
here you
সবগুলো
take
ডিফল্ট
the
ডিফল্ট আছে
1 2.
Yeah, my 2 lakh is working.
Oh, I will
Another two.
six.
Other two will work right now.
Okay,
Other
six,
two
six.
main computer is working, but I have to do with the sub computers also.
You have to change the
Okay,
Yeah, I just
So-
have to change that.
I need to do the in the L2 switch type for this switch. I
So
need
you're
to
configuring single
okay,
and running
okay.
single one. You're configuring one
Yeah.
easy and
And
then running one
if it's
Yeah.
work or not. Then I will get it if where is the error.
We have changed this.
Yes, we have changed for it the switch 8. Yes.
First we need to change here. Because you're using class C, right?
Yes, class C. I've already.
So make it 6
Yes, I was talking about that. That you need to do one, not 1 6 6 6. Yeah. Here it will also be 1 6 8.
6 8
Yes.
and
Five
it should be
6
reset.
Now let's run 65 with 41.
Okay. Now we are doing
65
6
with
3
41.
6 3 need to be added here. Okay.
Because only this piece is working in stuff. Nah, let us do it with 65 to 23.
কাজ করতেছে আপনারটা হ্যাঁ কাজ করতেছে
Till now it's working.
ওই যে দুই সুইচে দুটাই দিচ্ছেন না কি বলে এটাকে
Don't get it.
হ্যাঁ
Yes.
You just configure it, right? 8.
Yes, I just configured it
Yeah, I
for
think
the
it will
maybe
work.
the second L3 switch, not the first one.
Nah.
That's why it isn't
Didn't work.
showing it.
It didn't work.
63 1.
I know why it didn't work. We do it with 65 to 41, it will work.
See, 63 1 is already here. Yes.
Okay. 63 1.
And 2550.
And here this switch is also
Ah,
connected
it
to
also
the
Yeah,
doesn't
this
work.
is also.
কাজ করতেছে না
Lab 3 can communicate
Yeah,
with
you,
other
can,
other,
yeah, you
other
need to
labs.
change the. You
This
need to
lab
also
can
to
communicate
change
with
the
any
subnet
other
mask.
labs. Let's do 65 to
Yes,
80.
yes.
There is a little file. We need to add 1 into 168 166 and 1.
This lab can communicate with this lab too.
63 and
Why is
66.
it
Now we need
Uh,
to
this switch can communicate with other switches.
Yeah.
We need to configure this switch. This switch IP. Not this actually. This switch need to be configured. But these two can communicate with this. Let's see if this can communicate with this. Let's do 8227.
I need to understand one thing also that
27.
go to the properties and into the router section. Router 1. Yes. So you have used 2.1 as the gateway and 2.2 for the subnet.
These ones. Yeah.
Okay.
This lab,
And
these two labs
for the IP.
work, but
And in the
this
router
lab we
2,
can communicate with that
the
node.
interface 4.
We have to change the IP of that
The interface 4.
of this switch. This lab, this is my 4 lab, 1, 2,
Yes.
3 and 4 lab, right?
Yeah.
I have configured
So
this.
this is
These
also
two
the
lab
same.
can, these two lab can communicate with other ones. Right?
They can.
Yeah, they can.
This one cannot.
This one can. And I haven't checked with this one. So I need to check if this one can communicate with this. That. But I think this
Yeah,
can
there
communicate
should be
with this
two IPs
61 to
there.
41.
Yeah, wait, wait, wait.
61 to 41.
You can mistake there. Or maybe it's getting changed.
ভাই এর দেখা যাচ্ছে
Compared to
আমরা ওই দিন এত সুন্দর করে করলাম কেন তাইলে
ছোটটা কাজ করে বড়টা কাজ করে না ওইটাতে একটু সমস্যা
keep it
ওকে
2.2.
Yeah,
টু
So again,
this lab also can communicate with this lab. But this lab can communicate with these two.
we have to change two lab.
We have to change this so that this lab can communicate with these two.
and it is
It
one
works
one
with this, but
it is for the
not with this
router 1.
so we have to change the routing.
Yeah.
How to change the routing then?
So the
have no
1.2 is
idea.
for router 1.2 is for the router 1 and 2.2 is the router 2.
Yeah.
And we need to do the same thing here.
Yeah. Like, I think it's that.
It will be 2.1. Yes, and the 2.2. So,
2.2.
and it will be 1.1 and 1.2. Yeah, it's okay.
It's good.
And the other things are fine.
Okay, so what we need to do, we are going to check 9 with
Yeah, 9 with
একটু দরজাটা খুলে দিয়েন তো রুম গরম হয়ে গেছে বাতাস পাস না হইতে পারে
then you
দরজাটা খুলে রাখ
configure
তারপর this working
so then you can sing a song.
just check right now, right? This lab can communicate with this lab.
I hope this will work, man.
I hope also, man. No,
How long you guys are here?
no, it is not working. There,
But it's working right now.
How?
I don't know.
I came after, like we came after Juma.
yeah.
It's 6.
Let's run 61 with
What?
76.
Getting something.
It's 9:30.
It's
not
9:30,
6.
not 6.
Oh, he's talking about the time.
Oh. It's only going to the router 2.
So working?
Yeah,
Everything is working?
Yeah.
That run?
yeah, I ran.
Then it's done.
It's working.
সবগুলো কমিউনিকেট করতেছিস
হ্যাঁ এখনো একটা ল্যাব করা বাকি আছে এই ল্যাবটা কমপ্লিট করা বাকি পুরো দিই দাঁড়ান 76
লাস্টের আইপি চেঞ্জ করতেছিস
হুম।
আর রাউটারের দুটোটাতে কি সেম আইপি রাখছিস
রাউটার আচ্ছা
এটা ডিফারেন্ট নেটওয়ার্ক এটা ডিফারেন্ট
না কইছে সেম রাখ
কত দেওয়া
না সেম মানে রাউটার 1 এ যা বলবো রাউটার 2 তে তাই
1.1
আর সেম কি লেগা একটা যদি নষ্ট হয়ে যায় আরেকটা থেকে নিয়ে নিব অটো মানে তোর চেঞ্জ করা লাগবে না অটো
চেঞ্জ
then so where is the problem
The song is getting
কি কনফিগার করতেছেন ভাই
He took the caffeine and he's sleeping.
sleeping
Yeah.
it wasn't working because the default gateway were wrong. See? It's 2, but it's supposed to be 1.
রাউটার দুটার আইপি সেম রাখবো কেমনে?
ওটাতে যা দিচ্ছেন এটাতে তাই দিচ্ছে।
ওটাতে আমি আইপি সেট করবো কেমনে? ওই যে সুইচের মাধ্যমে?
না রাউটারে
রাউটারও তো আলাদা আইপি দেওয়া যায় না।
রাউটারে তো আইপি দিলাম আমরা 1.1
ওই
0.1
তো রাউটারটা যখন সুইচ কানেক্ট করছি L3।
হ্যাঁ ওইটাই আইপিটা সেম রাখবেন দুইটাতে,
ও
দুইটাতেই সেম 1. মানে 0.1 0.1 0.2 সেম।
0.1 0.2 সবগুলো 0.1।
ধরেন প্রথম সুইচের জন্য প্রথম
আপনি
সুইচে
কনফিগার করছেন?
এই যে করতেছ, তো প্রথম সুইচে দেখেন 1.1 এপাশে 1.1 এপাশে 2.1।
ও আচ্ছা ওই ইয়েতে বুঝতে পারছি।
The last one was 9, right?
Yeah.
Eight.
Maybe it won't also work.
Let's
কি
check with
বার করতেছি ভাই।
11 to 23.
Yes, it won't work.
It's 66.
Can we
I
switch?
got that.
Can we switch the electives? Is it too late to
No,
switch the
I got
electives?
that. What's the problem?
What's the problem?
Maybe.
So it's not working, right? It's not working.
No. We not in here. Not in here. You are doing great.
I think this Netsim is piece of crap
This one is working.
because he was shouting at it. Because he was
That's what
shouting
I'm
at it.
সবগুলা
হ্যাঁ
সবগুলা কাজ করছে?
না করে তাতে এখন এই ল্যাপটপ কমপ্লিট করার পরে বোঝা যাবে।
আপাতত সবগুলো পিসি ইয়ে করার দরকার নেই, একটা পিসি কাম হলে তো সবগুলা কাজ করবে, তাই না?
এটাই তো ভাবছিলাম।
হ্যাঁ।
But when we completed all and said configured all, then it wasn't working. That's why I'm completing everyone and checking.
মানে কি?
One at a time.
ওটার পর 1 2 3 4 5 7 দিলে সব হয়ে যাবে না?
না হয় না।
কেন?
I don't know. That's what এটাই তো কইতাছিলাম। এটাই তো সমস্যা। এজন্যই তো আমরা সবাই
সাবনেটিং এর সমস্যা। হ্যাঁ, এটা সাবনেটিং এর সমস্যা।
but until now it's working fine.
আচ্ছা,
Let's see.
স্যার এমনি বলে নাই পিসি অনেকগুলা নিতে। সাবনেটিং এর ব্যাপার আছে না? তাহলে সাব ইয়ে
Is the call?
কি বলে? সাবনেট তাহলে ইয়ে হবে আপনার 255 সামথিং কিছু একটা হবে মনে হয়।
না এটা দিয়ে
এটাতে কতগুলো আইপি ক্রিয়েট হবে টোটাল?
যতগুলো ইচ্ছা 256টা।
257.
তার মানে এটা কমপ্লিট করতে কালকে লেগে যাবে।
আজকে just the diagram.
কালকে ডকুমেন্টেশন করবে? তাহলে আমি আসবো না ভাই, সকাল সকাল চলে আসবো। কারণ আমি একলা সম্ভব না, আমি পারবো না।
ডকুমেন্টেশন তো ভাই
হ্যাঁ, documentation তো চাইলে।
ওই তো আমার লাগবে আপনাদের, এটা আমি পারবো না। এই সাবজেক্টে আমার কোনো আইডিয়াই নেই, আমি কেমনি এগুলো আমি জানি না।
মানে কমান্ডে দিতে
Command the problem হবে।
হ্যাঁ।
No worries, we can.
let's try 7 to 1 with
ফুটবল ম্যাচও আছে, ওটা আমি খেলবো না। কতক্ষণ লাগবে? ধরুন আমরা এখন করে ফেললাম ডিজাইন, ডকুমেন্টেশন করতে 2-3 ঘন্টা পারবো?
একদম।
Join this subject, right?
Yeah. It's good.
he is enjoying the suspense.
Yeah, he's enjoying the suspense.
Actually,
You know,
most of the things
yesterday-
happening, I don't even know because
The day before yesterday, I was there. I was here. Yeah.
for this.
Yeah.
So
And
that's why you're so
No, no.
confident.
exactly, we successfully ran it.
Then what happened?
Yeah.
No, I already from the first picture it rains.
Okay, then.
Then it doesn't.
And then you know the rest.
Yeah.
Okay.
After that you know the rest.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will sleep in 1 or 2 hours.
সমস্যা না, একটা হইলে সবারই হয়ে যাবে। If one succeeds, then we all
Yeah.
succeed.
If that one succeeded, then Alhamdulillah. If this one succeeded, then also Alhamdulillah.
But I will not go before completing it. If I go,
After complete, I will. After I'm completing it, I will give it a PC. You're changing all the last IPs. Where did you find the problem?
কি প্রবলেম হচ্ছে না?
Where?
17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Swaha.
How did you get it? Oh yes, it is getting the IP from gateway from the IP switch. Yes, it will be 66. Yes, 66.
Let's try
Yes.
90.
Now it will run. Okay. We are waiting. We are waiting.
sing right? You sing or play?
Anything works.
No, you should sing. Your voice is sweet.
আচ্ছা ভাই দেখেন তো এখানে
Yes,
স্যার বলছে
it's working. It's working.
স্যারে বলছে যে অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট টাইটেল ইনভেস্টিগেশন ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট এটাই লিখবো
Yes.
লিখে দিয়েছে অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট টাইটেল তো এটা না
না না না না
হ্যাঁ
এটা উপরে লিখতে হবে না আপনার ইয়াটা কই টেমপ্লেটটা কই
উপর লিখে দিব
এখানে লিখতে হবে না।
তাহলে সে আবার এটা লিখে দিল কেন
কেমনে কইতাম ভাই
হালার তো আরেক কনফিউজিং
Oh, everything is working.
Yeah.
how did he knew the error was there
He's just staring at it.
What was that? One was the last one was the
The red one. Sometimes it goes the red packets. It's normal.
No, Netsim.
Alhamdulillah.
But
And the
wait.
okay.
Wait, bro, wait a second. Yeah, the first thing he after seeing the design, first thing he said, bro, this is crazy. Like about the IPs.
Yeah, about the IPs.
He told us, right? We don't need to do.
We don't need to configure all the things. Why?
Yeah. Hello.
So the question is that you told me that
Crazy, bro.
we don't need to configure all the computers. We just need to configure a single computer and then run it. So why is that? But do we need to configure all the computers? Okay. 63 to okay. 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 Yes. I got it. And for the wireless and wired one also same thing. Okay. Understand. L2 and access point also. Yes. Okay.
how about the stream convention oh fuck
Only one.
that's me
Okay.
because I'm watching this that side the one very slow
Yes. Yes, we are following 63 and 0.3. Okay, good.
only this is a remote. Then yes, okay. I will add maximum 25 to 30 pieces X on one line, right?
Okay.
Okay, right?
Yes.
So what you can do, keep the y1 as 101, starting from 101
Okay.
minus 201.
Oh, last 101 and 201.
Yeah, let's change the and here for the minus what's change?
I don't know, man. But here it's showing that the same IP.
Yeah, here it's not showing the same.
Maybe some buggy code.
IP address, why is it changed?
201. And this would 63. So why are we doing 101 and 201?
So you won't get confused in wireless and wireless.
Okay, so if I use a second computer, wired computer, I will give 102.
Yeah, keep it 102. And if you're using second wireless, make it 2.2.
Sorry, 202. For suppose
Start from 1 to start from 255. Okay, so you have
55
55 pieces here, almost 55 pieces here,
and 155 for
here 200 pieces are here. Okay, just making this easy for you guys to understand that you can, don't get confused that this is wireless and this is wireless because everything's okay.
Oh,
You're
anything.
using the same subnet.
Yeah, I can also do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then same thing. Okay, yeah, I got it.
Yeah, you got it.
Yes.
So, anything else, guys?
Yes, anything else means in here. So should I use AC or something?
AC.
And here it is 100.
200, yeah. Make it 200.
100 and here is 10 gain, the antenna gain.
10, yeah.
And in the bandwidth,
Make it like 80. Yeah, make it 80 or 100, whatever you want to make.
okay. So
80 to 160, whatever.
okay, and in here, do I need to VHT some or
VHT must, neither
VHT. No, this one should be VHT.
okay?
Right?
Yes, it's on the wireless.
Yeah, make it VHT. Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
Yeah, make it choose on the wireless.
Yes, yes, this one wireless.
For me, showing that you're making changes here.
We should make in the wireless, the wired one.
For me, it's showing that you're making changes in the wired one. Here it is showing.
Oh no, yes, it's on the blue tick word, but yeah. We're also seeing that.
If you have configured this here, you need to change it here.
Yeah, here as well. The
access point.
yes, see in the wireless, and it's already.
AC,
but we can physical type will be based. Yes.
Yes.
last one. The last node is running.
That's it.
Okay.
I think that's it.
Yeah, I got it.
So now you can have multiple computers.
Okay.
You won't have any issue. Because now the main part is done, the first part is done, and you just need to add pieces and configure them one by one.
Configure it one by one. Just need to same the first 3 ones for class C.
Yeah, completed. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can set to normal to
তুই আমার বাল করবি?
তুই আমার বাল করবি। Okay, if we got any problem after
উসামা
configuring
জায়গা পড়ছো
okay brother, okay, thank you so much, thank you.
इस टाइम हमारा शुक्रिया बहुत बहुत आपका
Yes.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका
বুঝছেন বুঝছেন
हाँ,
তাহলে ঝামেলাটা হয়েছে কোথায়
जज़ाकुल्लाह खैर।
ঝামেলা হয়েছে সাবনেটিং এ
करते हैं, अगर कुछ दिक्कत होती है तो कॉल करेंगे आपको।
ও যেমনে সাবনেটিং করাইছে আমারটা অমনি সাবনেটিং করা।
हाँ, जी, thank you so much.
খালি ওর কাছ থেকে নতুন যেটা শিখলাম যে রাউটার 1 আর 2 এর
हाँ,
setup
same,
দিয়ে
same, router 1 to same.
হবে আমার সেটআপ ডান।
1
हाँ,
hour
I
7
get
minutes।
কিন্তু আমারটা হচ্ছে টু ডিফারেন্ট নেটওয়ার্কস।
that.
এটা এখন সেম নেটওয়ার্ক বানাইতে হবে।
Same network, you need to do the same network. Understand it?
ভাই একটু দেখেন তো এই জিনিসটা একটা
কোনটা এটা?
What we was telling that.
ইনভেস্টিগেশন।
হ্যাঁ
তো আমরা
No,
নিজেরাও
I don't
করি।
need to know.
না
I
মোহাম্মদ
just
একটা
need
আমার না
to finish.
ফিনিশে আমি
Yeah,
বুঝতেছি
I
না
don't
কি
need to
করছি
know.
রিসার্চ ভালোই করছিলাম বাট আমি এই নেটওয়ার্ক ইন্টার করতে গিয়ে মাথা
Pray
অনেক
first. So I really can sleep because I'm not joking, bro. I'm awake since 4 o'clock.
No.
Just look at him sleeping like.
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে।
ঠিক আছে না
মানে আমার চোখে যা পাইলাম ভুল পাইলাম না, কোনো সব ঠিকঠাকই আছে।
প্রত্যেকটা কম্পিউটারই চেঞ্জ করতে হচ্ছে, মানে তুই যেটা করছিস।
তাহলে আবার নতুন করে বানাতে দেবো
না না, শেষ তো, নতুন করে কি লাভ?
This charge. This laptop is not charging.
Yeah, he's one.
good morning princess
What happened?
ভাই এ তো সব খুব সব
সহজ তো, আমি তো এমনি করতেছিলাম।
হইতাছিল।
আমারটা হইতাছিল না গেটওয়ে লেগে, আমি গেটওয়ে কপি পেস্টে ভুলও করছিলাম।
হয়ে গেল তো কোন এত কষ্ট করো না। finish now. To go.
My question: are you going to same IP or different IP? I mean, one
There are some changes. We need not to change in the hard one. We need to change in the last part. I will tell you if you give me.
like finish the configuration. Anyone who can understand.
আচ্ছা ইয়া কত দাদা, রাউটার 1 থেকে ধর রাউটার 2 তে যেটা নিলাম, ঠিক আছে, এখান থেকে এটাতে তো আরেকটা যাবে, মানে এখানে 1.1 3.1 আছে, এখানে 1.1 3.1 হইতে হবে, তাই তো?
দুই জায়গায় সেম কনফিগার 2.2 এনে
না না না, রাউটারের কথা।
রাউটারও সেম।
সুইচও সেম কনফিগ দাও না?
He said one of the router is
Kill
one
it,
of the router is a backup.
Yeah, backup and auto backup হয়ে যাবে, মানে তোর কাটা, yeah, it will be auto backup, not it will not be different.
So if I do this, then I have to change all of the IPs of the PCs.
What time we are going?
Huh? After finishing. You had your thing. Don't have to worry about anything.
Everything the app data breach.
I'll just go directly from here to COG.
COG means
Radio Green.
Radio green.
Using what?
Well, because I don't have the option now. It's UA Park. What time is it? It's 9:45 right now.
হ্যাঁ হ্যালো
9:45 is the last bus from APU to COG.
ভালো না, আমি হচ্ছি ইন্দাতে। এখানে যে সবাই গ্রুপে ইয়ে করতে শিখতেছি, অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট করতেছি। আমরা সবাই ফাঁকটা একসাথে এক রুমে, বুঝছো? সবাই সব আওলায় ফেলছি। আমাদের সোমবার সাবমিশন, এখন কিচ্ছু করি নাই।
Shaheen, bro, you're done, right?
No, not done actually.
Yeah, he messed up.
তো এখন যাচ্ছি ইন্দাতে।
Because
ও,
the
আর আমার অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট শেষ হয়ে গেলে আমি চলে আসতাম। কালকে আমার একটা খেলা আছে ইয়েতে, বুঝছো?
ঠিক আছে,
কি বলে?
লাইব্রেরি চেঞ্জ করো।
এই যে ইউএমএ, ইউনিভার্সিটি অফ মালায়াতে, আমার মনে হয় ওটাও মিস হবে। আরে আমার অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট অনেক বিশাল, তো অনেক বড় প্রজেক্টটা। তোমার অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট নেটওয়ার্ক ডিজাইন বানাতে হবে একটা ইয়ের জন্য, ইউনিভার্সিটির জন্য। এটাকে আবার ডকুমেন্টেশন করতে হবে, সব দেখাইতে হবে। এটা অনেক টাফ।
ওয়ার্কিং যেটা ওটা সেভ করে দিস।
আমি এখনো কিছু চেঞ্জ করিনি, আমি খালি এদিক করছি।
ভাই অনেক টাফ, ট্রাস্ট মি, স্যারটাকে কমপ্লিকেটেড বানাই দিচ্ছে। ইজি জিনিস ছিল। তোমরা কি প্রায় সময় কি রাতে খেলো নাকি এপিওতে? নাইস। তুমি যাও যাও, ও সেই কটা পর্যন্ত খেলা হবে? ও পরে গ্র্যাড নিয়ে আবার চলে যাবে, তাই তো? ও ঠিক আছে bro. ওকে। না না, ওরা কেউ খেলে না তো, যারা আছে। না, পরিচিত এখানে কোনো প্লেয়ার নেই। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ। ওকে, আমি আসবো। কবে এটা কবে হবে? তাহলে ইয়ে করো, বিকালের দিকে করো, হ্যাঁ বিকাল বা সন্ধ্যা। বেটার বেটার। মানে ওই দিন আসবো, সমস্যা নাই।
আচ্ছা
কারণ আমার এটাই সবচেয়ে মেইন আছে।
ইয়ার একটা
মানুষগুলো ইজি।
তো এটা দুটার সেম আইপি দিলাম, হ্যাঁ তাহলে
হ্যাঁ,
সাবজেক্ট
লাগাবো।
গেটওয়ে কি হবে?
এটার ভিতরে
না ভাই, ছেড়ে দিচ্ছে
সবগুলো ডিফল্ট গেটওয়ে কি দাও?
ছেড়ে দিচ্ছে, এখন আর ভালো লাগে
না
না।
না সবগুলোই দেয় একই কথা।
না না, করবো সামনের বছর।
এটা তো করেই
না না,
কোনটা করে না, কোনটার সাথে ওটা করে?
না অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট করবো না, এখন পছন্দ করি, দেখি কি হয়।
এমনি হচ্ছে 2-1 2-1 ধরো।
তোমার কার
2-1 হচ্ছে এই জায়গায়।
আচ্ছা দুটাই তো সেম, কার তো এত লাগবে না। হ্যাঁ দেখি তারপর
তারপরে এটার জন্য এটার জন্য 1-1 দিচ্ছি। L2 switch 5,
এখন তো অনেক, এখন অনেক বাচ্চা অটিস্টিক হতো অনেক।
1-1 দিচ্ছি। কিন্তু আবার পরে দেয় যে L2 switch 8, এই উপরেটা এটা জায়গা দিতে 2-1। ঠিক আছে, রাউটার 2 তো ওই যে যা আছে।
না আমি ছেড়ে দিচ্ছিলাম, আমি
2.1 2.2
মাঝখানে একটু প্যারা খাইছিলাম তো, এখন আবার ভিডিও হচ্ছে, একটু ভিডিও ছেড়ে দিচ্ছিলাম।
রাউটার টু রাউটার না, রাউটার টু রাউটার তো যায় না।
রাউটার টু রাউটার না, সুইচ টু রাউটার, L3 টু রাউটার। সবগুলি অটো 2.1 হয়ে গেছে। এবার দুইটাতেই সেম করতে হবে। এটাতে আবার দিছে
আচ্ছা ভাই একটু বলেন কি করলেন আপনি?
আমারটা হয় না এখনো, ওই যে ওরটা হইছে। আমারটা ইয়া হয়নি, আমারটা হইছে কিন্তু দুটো ডিফারেন্ট নেটওয়ার্ক হইছে, একটা নেটওয়ার্ক লাগবে।
এই আমারও তো সেম প্রবলেমটা। তাহলে আমি আবার নতুন করে ডিজাইন করবো।
আগে ওটা দেখা নেন।
আগে ডিজাইন করতে হবে।
না আমি এটা একটু করে নি, তারপরে মানে পুরোটা না, একটা জিনিস বুঝতে হবে আমার এখানে। ও
আচ্ছা এখান থেকে দোকান কত দূর?
কিসের দোকান?
এদিকে মুগরি।
এই তো নিচে কেকে তো সামনেই।
ওই যে ওই দিন যে গেলাম।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ 99%
কতক্ষণ লাগবে হাঁটে যেতে?
এই যে হোটেলটা তো
না
চিনেন না?
10 মিনিট।
হোটেলের সামনে যে
We're gonna go. Please come with me and buy a cigarette. Yeah. You want company? Why? I'll smoke. You can have whatever you want.
Can I get the computer assignment? I will buy it. Only this assignment.
No. So he will teach you, right? First.
But
First-
I need to finish this.
Yeah,
Then-
but let him finish first, right? Then he will,
Yeah, but
teach
I'm
us.
sitting here so that I can.
No.
We
right,
can
right
go
now you can't
afterwards.
understand because you were praying.
I was
And-
playing.
Yeah, you were praying
Yeah.
and he already configured. So
So-
you missed everything.
No, I know this.
So then okay. So
We can go afterwards. We can go for dinner
no, of
afterwards.
course we will. But bro, my brain is not draining, so I need to smoke, bro.
Brain is not
Yeah.
What's the problem now?
I have to configure with the same network.
Same network.
Your router was different,
Like
right? Router
card
two.
type to the
Okay.
I created two different networks, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Router one for this side,
Card.
router two for this side.
Yeah, but yeah.
But in the theory, the two router IP should be same.
Which
Thought that our card was lost, but it is here. We searched the whole room.
It was outside.
Yeah, it was inside.
It is inside, but it was vertical. Like
Because
this.
if we lost
If you
this,
search, where's the card? Where's the card? But it's
okay.
stuck on the left side.
because
outer side.
if we lost this, we need to pay 15 for one.
But I told him that I couldn't. Actually, normally all the time I carry the card.
Yeah.
So I told him if I lost the card, I would have noticed.
Yeah,
But he
yeah,
would
yeah.
have noticed, yeah.
I would have noticed that if it fails, then I can see that
Yeah.
the card failed. For you guys, we find the keys.
Thank you, Noble. Because he is going to smoke.
So you're thanking him for that.
Yeah, for smoking. 66.
So we don't care about the endpoint devices. These are important.
We need to change the last IP, last point, because this third one is network. If we change it, then the network is changing. If we change the last part, then it's changing the sub networks. Our theory was more to I need to call someone.
The phone to
Assignment.
হ্যালো হ্যালো, হ্যাঁ আমি সারাদিন ধরে পড়তেছি, এজন্যই কল দিতে পারি নাই। এখনো পড়তেছি, ভার্সিটিতে পোলাপানরা আছে, আজকে 4 জন আসছে, এসে পড়তেছি সবাই, এজন্যই কল দিইনি। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, না এই জন্যই জানালাম। দুপুরবেলা খাইছিলাম আলু ভাজি আর ডিম ভাজি, এখন রাতটা খাই নাই, খাবো একটু। ঠিক আছে।
Use to electricity. Okay. Those IPs are same or same. Everything is for the backup. How?
No, at least we know what's the correct answer is.
Yeah.
Because if we don't know about the wrong thing, we cannot.
We literally waste the whole day.
Oh, not wasting. We're just gaining some experiences.
Yeah. Like, this is
Okay, 63, 66 is done.
everything is backup.
Everything is done. 266, 266.
He was asking how is NTP going, so I sent him this.
Disaster. Start the mess. Everyone have a problem with that L3 switches and the
Everyone.
রাউটার 1 থেকে সুইচ 3 তে কত ইয়া গেছে, 1.1 গেছে।
You just slide down.
রাউটার সুইচ 2 তে রাউটারে গেছে 1.2, আর হইতেছে এবার ওই রাউটার 2 এর থেকে সুইচ করে কত আসছে 3.1।
আছে দেখ এটা এই যে কোন জায়গায়
রাউটার 2 এর
Bro,
থেকে
slide down.
এই জায়গা
না রাউটার 3 তে যাও, রাউটার 2 তে যাও, রাউটার 2 রাউটার 2 এর থেকে প্রপার্টিস এর থেকে যাও।
এই যেটা L3 সুইচ
কত গেছে
11
ওটা তো 1.1 গেছে না?
সেম সেম
Dude, I have a question. The person used the 4L3 switches. Okay,
everything will be same.
see. Okay, just imagine. Okay, I have 4 buildings. I use the 4L3 switches. So all the IPs are same.
All like is
So what about the L3 switches to router configuration?
ওটাতে 1.1 গেছে আর ওটাতে 2.1 গেছে না? সুইচ 3 তে রাউটারে 2.1 গেছে।
No, he's not asking about the NDP. No, he's asking about him.
oh
So slide down. We'll think about later.
yes you just rest. The main thing we have configured those things and
Are you sure?
yes
Everything is finished.
because if is there any problem I will call someone.
Oh yeah.
So here switch 6 2 2 6 68 so 5 Everything is 68, 63, one.
Close the slide off.
Now we need to verify. Now it's in the same network but in the different subnet. Yes, okay.
So we will
PC9. Why?
that's called this app application has some virus. Whenever we are close to getting there, it's
Arjun, can I have some? Can I have a hotspot?
this open launch. Hotspot. Let me give your phone. I'll connect to the Wi-Fi. Should call the investigation. Can I text him and ask him? Ask.
Call Osama right now, but
I just need to change these force IPs and the rest will be same because it's all in the different subnets, right? So I don't need to change all the IPs.
no, yes, because
I
all
just
the
need to
L2s
set up
are
this code.
yes, all the L2s are separate.
I just need to change the gateways. Or maybe not.
Gateway, maybe the IP. Which isn't the problem. I don't know.
Yeah, দেখো তো L3 switch to L2 switch এর কোনো একটা কনফিগে যা তো হ্যাঁ কোনো একটা switch to এর কনফিগে যা level L2 এর switch. What is the IP and the default gateway?
The IP is different. Yeah, because yeah,
3.1 আর 2.1 তাহলে ঠিক আছে তাহলে আমারে ডিফল্ট আইপি চেঞ্জ করতে হবে না আমার খালি ডিফল্ট গেটওয়ে চেঞ্জ করতে হবে আইপি সেম থাকবে
nah, you don't need to change the IP. The IP will be the same. You need to change the default gateway for the L2 switches only because
একটু কত আমার আমি কই তোরা হ্যাঁ তোরও চারটা সুইচ নাও আছে না
নেওয়া তো আছে,
আমার 4টা সুইচের ডিফল্ট গেটওয়ে পাও।
but he only configured the 2 switches.
Not the other two. That's why you are
That's,
struggling.
yeah, that's why I'm struggling. If he configured all the
Because
things, yes,
that's
that's
what
the
I was
problem.
thinking, that we now talk about that.
That's why I'm calling Usama for, because in the you can see in the L2 switch 8 he uses this gateway 2.1, but in the L2 switch 5 he uses 1.1. When I use the same thing, it didn't work.
When you did
When he's how she will is L2 switch 68 gateway. I was 1.1, 7 was 2.1, between 2.1 and the last one. This 7, 8, 1, 8, 5 and 8. 5 and 8 is 1 and 2.1. So 6 and 7. तो without router ইয়াটা দেখা তো কিছু করা 1.1 ডান পাশেরটার প্রথমটা 1.1 We have a submission Monday, am I right?
Yes. Monday 11:59 means we have all the day of Monday.
On this type of,
so that means we have 3 days.
yes, we have 3 days from this type of talks. Hassan get motivated.
So I need to finish this tonight. We will.
We want to.
We will. We want to is out of the question.
Yes.
If we want or not.
We will.
After give me one pill. I might sleep. Yeah, seriously.
Get it. They also have coffee. Have one. If you have to,
No, this is not capsule. Do one thing. Put water in there. Shake it.
no.
And drink it with coffee. No, I don't want to sleep. If I do that, I will sleep forever. It's water. It's water. There I guess. Peki biri ginansın. Ben de একটা biri.
আমরা কাছে তুই খেলে এবার
ও খুলেনি না এখনো, খুলেন
খুলেন না।
আমার দেশের যা বুঝাও যায়, এটাই খান খালি।
এটা ভালো
বুঝলাম না।
ডাবল সুইট বুঝছেন? আচ্ছা ওরা বুঝছেন তো? এখন তো কাজ করবে।
ভাই
because we
You
are
understand? Let's say?
No.
You understand, right? I said, so you're done, right? I said almost. I said, run or not? I said, yeah, fuck literally.
Not literally.
Oh,
almost.
you don't have identification, right?
Should have taken. Now I'm doing it. I'm going to message him and ask him if I can switch now.
Please.
Baby.
Okay. If we are failing in sports,
We won't.
ভাই সি পাইলে তো লাভ নাই। রিটেক নেওয়া যাবে এই 100 রিঙ্গিত দিয়া? 100 রিঙ্গিত দিয়ে রিটেক নেওয়া যায় না? 100 রিঙ্গিত। তাহলে রিটেক নিব 100 রিঙ্গিত দিয়ে।
Bro, I need to go. I can't. Okay.
Yes, me also.
মানে রিটেক?
Yeah.
না ভাই রিটেক নেই এই পাইতে হতো। খালি মানে what we have to do just submit the assignment if you retake the course, right? Only submit. কোর্স তো করা লাগবে না যতটুকু জানি।
No, if we don't have any exams then.
আচ্ছা তার মানে আমাদের কোনো গ্রেডে যদি কোনো এক্সামে যদি খারাপ গ্রেড আসে আমরা নতুন করে অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট দিয়ে ওটা আমরা ভালো কিছু তুলতে পারবো।
এরকমই তো শুনছি।
মাত্র 100 রিঙ্গিত। হ্যাঁ এটা কোন থাকে? আমার খালি ফ্রি থাকলে দিতে ভাই আমার আব্বা আম্মা আমার মাথা লয় না তো। Stop. So when we complete our assignment, okay, I think you're having problem with your laptop, right? You're having problem with your laptop.
I think this is not a problem with the laptop. It's configuration.
Okay, so listen. When we complete our assignment, so you should borrow someone's laptop. Just save the project and screenshot it.
Yeah.
Save it in your laptop. Okay, and then just do the document
Now
because we
we
have
will
2 more
check
days, right?
If it's working,
And then
yeah, simulation part we need to do something.
yeah, exactly.
Guys. What? Miyada?
Huh?
My setup is complete. I think if you give Usama to change the 4 gateway of the 2 router and 2 switches, then the project will be completed. We don't need to start it from scratch. I think we should tell Usama to change the gateway of the 4.
I can try.
আচ্ছা আমরা একটা কাজ করলেই তো পারি।
First,
আমরা
first, first,
একজন একটা নিয়া
I can try.
একজন একটা নিয়া খালি ডিজাইন চেঞ্জ করে দিয়া আর
এটাই তো
এত কষ্ট করতে হবে?
ওইটাই দিয়ে এখন চেষ্টা করবো নে ওটা নে
Yes, I will try. I just understand some things, but I need to do it. Oh, Cisco's packet is fine.
I have no idea about practice.
So the first time I heard about the Netsim, but I heard about the Jupiters. I heard about the other thing. The first time. But Uzan idea also the crazy,
Usama, they use the two routers the same IP. That's also great.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, how it's even I think about how it's possible. Two IPs is the
69.
the same IP for the two
69 1
routers
is
and the
69
same
2.
the kind of switch address for the same. What?
Understand it right. So
He literally second report he literally wanted justification. Final report we have a time probably. Final is only based on simulation. We figure out the solutions. We don't have any problem with the IPC problem with the packet tracer. Easily we can configure those ones.
Suspense.
yes,
Only gateway.
yeah, everything.
Only gateway.
Only gateway problem.
Then
Yes, I can change it.
Now it's working.
Yes, it's working.
now try with this one. How to export?
Just explain, just briefly.
ভাই কাজ হয়েছে
Yes.
Just briefly.
Yeah.
How to export? How to export?
Just come. Just come. First understand the concept. Then
Yeah,
we
we'll understand the concept with this.
The main thing is
Or
you
it is
guys
being borrowed,
don't
the
need to do
parameters.
anything. We will give you all the setup. You just change the IP. We will give you everything.
change IP on.
Yeah,
IP and the design.
IP and the design will
Design can you can
Yes.
change it.
We will give you all the template. No worries.
Just drag and drop.
Just drag and drop anything.
Change IP.
You don't need to do this. I will give you this.
Okay.
This template. No worries.
So just explain to me what the hell is happening. Why he using the same IP for the?
I will explain, man. We'll
We
explain.
explain everything. I will explain.
We will ask
everything.
that to him on when do you have next class? We will ask to him.
If you
Right now we're talking to him.
if you understand, just do the record
Export.
video and put it in the
Export.
YouTube.
Yes.
You have to understand at least.
আপনারটাতেই করবো আমরা তাই না
হুম।
হ্যাঁ
ওইটা আমি ঠিক করবো না।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
যাতে ঝামেলা হয়েছে।
Export is
এক্সপোর্ট হয়েছে এখন
ওকে দেন
experience packet tracer.
No,
no, export
It's a
it-
very large file.
course it is a large
Yeah.
Okay. You know where the file will go?
Why is a new folder? This one. I think it exported.
হ্যাঁ এক্সপোর্ট হচ্ছে
Where,
ঠিক
where,
আছে
where?
export হচ্ছে।
Where is the exported file?
All work. Gop. All work.
All work.
All work.
This one.
হ্যাঁ হচ্ছে হচ্ছে পারফেক্ট
এটা zip করবো?
Oh,
শেয়ার
So
ফাইল শেয়ার ফাইল করে
check
দেন
the time. Check the time.
no, not the zip file. You can give me this normal exp file. Just the normal thing. The normal-
EXP ফাইল দিলে তো হবে না
হয়, হয়, হয়,
Just
yeah.
ESP file is fine.
Yeah.
Export. Yes, export.
Export, just only export.
Only export.
Where is
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, he just give me the exp file and I
EXP
run
file.
it.
It's like a packet tracer file like that. Okay.
Export to select the
Select.
place.
Select.
Yeah, select
Yes.
the place.
Go to the download. And just select the
place it here. Yeah.
Yes, export. Yeah.
Export. Yes, download. In the download section, it will export. Okay, go to the download section.
That's
Find
it.
the-
Once.
Yeah, give me the copy and paste it in the Telegram.
This one is really good.
First save this file.
Allah Akbar.
He used not technique. I think it was Uzama.
Genius.
Will it open?
All
All work.
Okay, right click the file and go to the open section and open it.
because
Yeah, that's mine.
yeah, it's your first one.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, that's the error I was facing when I was.
Search
Magic button.
all one.
তোরা ফাইলটা জিপ করে পাঠাবি পুরোটা
Bro, just go. Yeah, just go. Yeah. Right click.
Okay, right click.
Open with. Open. Top.
টপ টপ
Let's see the. Choose the app from.
নেটসিম যে জায়গায় ডাউনলোড করছে সেটা হয়ে যা Why is the Netsim folder initialized? Right click again. Cine.
Get together.
Netsim.exe. What bro?
Attack me.
লেখাটা বুঝতে
Attack me.
export extract.
Let me read that. Yeah. Alright.
পাইছেন?
No, it's starting with the first letter.
আসে না কেন ভাই?
আসে তো আমি তো এই যে this one is the Aftaf's one. I've already imported it, but
I've given the
but his one is not working.
But
To go to the Netsim here. Only this one is the all work.
yeah. So
Second time.
where's that file?
Yeah, that's the file. That's the file.
Yeah, I
945.
know that's the file. Then why it isn't?
Okay, just copy the file. Okay, just copy the file directly. Drop it here, like my file. No. The download file. Yes, file is there.
Okay, I dropped it here.
Yeah, like my file. Then just like that. Then for the next two, refresh.
But
There
just
is
close the window. Close the window.
There isn't refreshing.
Do this. Water in the glass.
ফাইলটা নিয়ে এসে ধরে দেখতে এই জায়গায়
This is not fine. Delete করতে হবে।
আমার নেটসিমের প্রবলেম তাইলে এটা হইতাছে না
না
Not a problem. Sir.
then why isn't exporting or importing
How do I know?
Maybe.
Oh, all work. and I'm completing my.
Yeah, and then you have to complete yours.
Yeah, I should have.
You can just complete in your.
No.
If this exporting isn't working, then if we complete in here, then how guys
Uh,
it
Then send to someone else. Try that. Send to nobles.
Yeah.
Yes, send it to.
পাঠাতো?
Hey.
ওখানে আছে না?
No, you send it.
Send the file. Oh, also, you can check mine also if it's working on me. Back, novel.
Up.
নোবেল আপু
Thank you.
জানি আমি ওটাই সবাই লিখি।
I sent you, man.
Yeah, check it. If it's a problem with him, then to complete it. But you can help me with the IPs. Just give me the L2 IPs, and I will copy paste it every time. It will easy for.
তোর তো সেটা হয়ে গেছে, তাহলে
হ্যাঁ।
কম্পিউটার তো অ্যাড করতে পারবি। আর
হ্যাঁ।
কি দিব? শেষ তো তোর কাম। তোরা খালি কম্পিউটার অ্যাড করতে বারবার সেটা
But I need to configure the IPs.
যা ইচ্ছা তাই দিব। তো একটা করে
Hey,
ইয়ে দিছে না?
see. Oh, I already configured.
Yeah.
খালি এই ফাইলটা দিলে হবে তো?
হ্যাঁ।
আচ্ছা এটা তো খালি হচ্ছে ইয়েটা কি যে
Oh, you haven't seen it. Okay.
ওই ফাইলটা কপি করে নেটসিমের ওইখানে নিয়ে যাবো আসলে।
ওই যে ইয়েতে আর কি
যেখানে সেভ হয় আর কি আপনার সব ফাইলগুলো।
Let's see that this and this.
কপি করে
Is working.
use of force switch is working. So how we are, I'm going to
নেটসিম
It's also already. It's also working.
এই যে এখানে
এখানেই তো ফেলাবো,
হ্যাঁ
তাই না?
এখানে ফেলাই।
সবগুলো তো ফোল্ডার হয়ে আছে সব
সমস্যা নেই, ফেলা নেই যে।
just explain.
ফেলাইছি
দেখেন
অল ওয়ার্ক তাই না?
No, just okay.
আচ্ছা এবার এটা আমি একবার ক্রস মারি।
So what do you need to?
First starting with the router IP. Use the same IP, alright?
Yes.
Okay.
দেখেন আছে কিনা ওপেনে গেলে পাওয়া যাবে।
Use the same IP because if one router shutdowns, then another router will
Yeah.
continue.
So
Then,
we won't have to like do anything.
yeah, we won't like to do
We have
anything.
the same.
Yeah.
It will automatically
And
connect.
for the L3 switches,
দেখুন
we
ওপেনে যান।
also need to do the same thing. See?
ওলার কাছে
না
then it's a problem with the version of my Netsim. It's so the
I think the file is too much of size,
Yeah.
alright?
দাঁড়ান আমি আপনাকে একটা ফাইল পাঠাই, হ্যাঁ তাহলে
হবে না
No,
আমারটা হয় না।
Then I will send it to
I-
everyone.
Okay, I have a solution. Just reduce your computers and IPs. First, make sure the configuration is like a sim.
Oh, his once is done.
That's fine.
Yes, 90%
If
done. Just
if
need
we
to-
delete all the computers, then it's the same thing.
You're just working with that machine. Just don't.
কাজ এটা হবে ভাই আমি বলতেছি দাঁড়ান।
You just drop
I,
this file.
I give all of you.
Yeah, this file is enough.
Okay.
Try to understand first thing.
No, I will give you
No, but
this file.
the thing is, I'll tell you. Not going on.
Bro,
You can go, bro. You can go. No worries, because I know when I go home,
Yeah,
I
you
will
will sleep
sleep
all day.
directly,
Yeah,
and when I wake up tomorrow, I will
you will
forget.
forget.
ভাই আমি আপনাকে দিচ্ছি, হ্যাঁ
Honestly.
এটা একটু দেখান।
So
You can go after. You just send him. You can go.
এটা অলরেডি
আমি
করছি
বলে
কিছুক্ষণ আগে, ওর কাছ থেকে ওইটা নিয়ে আমারটা বসাতে গেছিলাম। আমারটা
ফোল্ডার জিপ করছেন?
হ্যাঁ ফোল্ডার জিপ করছি, জিপ ফোল্ডার পাঠাবো আপনারে।
হ্যাঁ জিপ ফোল্ডারটা পাঠান।
everyone will forget. That's all.
আপনাকে ইয়েতে যান, আপনার ওই প্রজেক্টটা জানিয়েতে, হ্যাঁ
এই যে জিপ করা
Okay.
পাঠাইতে।
ক্রিয়েট ফোল্ডার জিপ করছেন না?
just click the properties. There's a two interface. One is connected with
Both are connected with L3 switch 3 and L3 switch 4.
just no router connection.
No. Because router is itself giving
Yeah.
network. Router
That's
is,
the first thing.
yeah.
But we connected router to router. Am I right?
Yeah, we connected, but it's no use.
Yeah.
It's no use.
Because if one router is down,
Yeah.
then
What's
the
the
wire
point?
is useless, right?
Yeah. Okay, got it.
Yeah, he was the one who pointed that out.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, smart. Sriman. Eden Ross?
Okay.
Eden Ross, huh? What's his name?
Inverse.
Yeah.
I didn't was on. Okay. What about the L3 switches? Yes, just go to the L3 switches. Same thing means what one? Same IP.
The gateway will be the same, but the IP will be the change. IP
We
will
can
change.
give any IP.
Yes, any IP, but need to change the last one.
Need to change the last
Yeah,
one.
because it's class C IP.
Class A. Okay, got it. Go to the router to same.
Same.
Same. What are default gateways are different.
Yeah, because it's router 2.
Yeah, router 2.
The
I think same kind of format. If I follow the another area, it should be right and it should be work same kind of configurations. Because I have planned to use the four switches.
yeah,
Increase.
same thing,
So,
same thing.
the thing is,
That's a problem. You
you
know,
know, if you use four routers,
yeah,
it will be
not four routers,
more confusing.
four L3 switches. That's why I again and again asking the question too. What will happen if I use the four switches?
Okay, so
Can I have that before you configure? Why not?
And
Changing the gateways, brute forcing.
oh, I need to. I can help. I can help. Sorry. Yes. And
We need to sit here.
yes, I need to sit here.
But we need to get to we need to find a way to transfer these two from other pieces.
No worries.
This guy is hilarious. Man. No way, could help this.
আপনার পায়ে কি হয়েছে রবি?
বুঝে সাইকেল অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট করছিলাম
খেলায় লাগছে তোমার?
মাংস ফুলা পড়ে গেছে
কতদিনের রেস্ট ছিল?
1 মাস
তো প্রবলেম কোন জায়গায়?
ভাই
সুইচ
ইম্পোর্ট হইছে এখানে আসছে ফাইলটা দেখাতেছে না কেন
so should I make the
মনে হয়
Yeah,
এটা
you
জন্য
can.
পিসি মনে রিস্টার্ট দিতে হবে
everyone দিয়ে দেখেন তো
কারণ কি এই
for
দেখেন
every switch?
এই দেখেন
বুঝছি দিয়ে দেখেন
এটা আপনি করছেন এটা করছেন এই যে দেখেন যখন আমি এটা দিতেছি ও আমাকে বলতেছে
No,
এটা already
should I
আছে।
make like
দেন তো
for-
নিশ্চয়
just for this
রিস্টার্ট
switch
করলে
or
হবে
for everyone?
আমি জানি না হওয়া উচিত
I will try. I'm not configured. Do I need to configure single one like every computer? No, right?
No, for every computer we need to configure.
No, but like
For example, for practicing.
no. Like I show you. So this is one computer, right?
Yeah.
So I have to configure this and put another one next.
No. You can configure after that.
Yeah, that's better.
After that.
How much should we go? 20? 5
The same thing.
wireless.
Same thing you did it in the
Okay.
other one. You can cross it here, or you need to change here. Want to change it?
Yeah, I'll just change it. This is what it works.
first thing is it 3 switch 4
Why are you standing?
3 switch 3
একটা জিনিস দেখ এই জায়গায় প্রথমটা 1.1 ওইটা প্রথমটা 2.1 দাও
L3 switch 3 L3 switch 3 L3 switch 4 ঠিক আছে L3 switch 4 এ তোর দেওয়া হইতাছে 2.1
হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে L3 switch 4 এ 2.1 দিচ্ছি L3 switch 4 L3 switch 3 তে কত দেওয়া হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে এটা ঠিক আছে এটা হইতাছে তারে যাবে না বুঝছো তারের লেগে এরকম হয় কিন্তু ঠিক আছে মানে সুইচ 3 আর সুইচ 4 এ যে যে আইপি দিত
বসানোর কথা ঠিক
সেম
আছে হ্যাঁ
এটা ঠিক আছে এবার এই জায়গায় প্রথমটা L2 আগে
It's
রাউটার
simply import from Netsim, man. It's simply import. Just
Yeah.
download the file and go to the front end, just click the export the
Import.
file and click that simply import.
So it's running.
Yeah, it's running.
Here is the problem.
Doing too much of configuration, right? On the big size of file.
জান আমি তো একটু পড়ালেখা করছি আমার বাসা অনেক মানুষ আমি একটু পরে ফোন দেই হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা তাই একটু কষ্ট করে দেখ এখানে আমার পাওয়ার ব্যাংক আছে
Bro, you use the L2, L4, L2 switches or Uzama use the two.
no everyone is হ্যাঁ উপরে ওই যে
No, no, no.
Now I need to configure this, or
yeah
I need to configure this.
no you
Doesn't matter.
no it doesn't matter because everything is okay
Okay, okay. That's good.
oh thank you you are completing it please complete this
Yeah, yeah,
yeah I will configure or you can also configure the IPs after that
You will configure.
no worries
I don't want any part in that.
after that I will send it to you guys
আচ্ছা ভাই
ও আগে নেটে কানেক্ট করে নি
আপনার আবার কি সমস্যা হলো
ফাইল ওপেন হচ্ছে না কিন্তু ফাইল তো দেখায়
সেটাই তো ফাইল দেখায়
ফাইল
কিন্তু
দেখায় ও বলতেছে যে ফাইল তো এক্সিস্ট
হ্যাঁ
করতেছে
এক্সিস্ট করে এটা নিয়ে এর আগে মারা খাইছিলাম ওর এই ফাইল নিয়ে কিন্তু কাজ হইতাছিল না আচ্ছা এই জায়গায় না রাউটার 1 রাউটার 1 রাউটার 1 রাউটার 1 এটা ঠিক আছে রাউটার 1 এর রাউটার 2 2.1
Who is this guy, man? I just finished watching Sing at 2025.
নট আইপি
না রাউটারের জন্য আইপি চেঞ্জ করতে
আইপি কি দিতে হবে ওটা লাগে
আচ্ছা আইপি তো একটা দিবি জানি না ও কিন্তু আমারটা চেঞ্জ করছে আইপি মানে
কিন্তু পরে
2.1 এর জন্য কিন্তু 2.2 দিছে
এরপরে তো চেক করলাম যে দেখতে যে আইপি আর ওটা চেঞ্জ আছে কিনা পরে দেখলাম
এখানে-
আইপি চেঞ্জ কিন্তু গেটওয়ে একই
যাই হোক গেটওয়ে থাক সমস্যা নাই
Kinto is so pure Hindi word,
what does it mean by কিন্তু
Lekin.
lekin oh yeah lekin
bro. I'm now.
no I was forget that's why I
No, he just said right. Kinto.
no, forget the word in Hindi
Oh yeah.
that's why I asked it what the meaning of it. Sometimes the short term memory
It's not your fault. It's this one.
okay so L2 switch 5 আচ্ছা এটা 1.1 ঠিক আছে for L2 and this is for router 1 2.1 is for router 2 1.1 for switch 5 1.1 1.1
ভাই
হ্যাঁ
এটা আপনারটা
হাউ
ওপেন হবে, আপনারটা তো ওপেন হবে কিভাবে? জানাটাতে দেখাই দিচ্ছি। ক্যান ইউ টেক দিস? বাট এটা এরর দেখাতেছে, আগে একটু দেখেন রান হয় নাকি।
Not created.
কি হলো that?
দেখা
ও
দিচ্ছি 48 সাথে 61, হ্যাঁ
you need to connect all of this.
যাক ওপেন কইরা পরেটা আমরা আবার সেভ করতে পারবো না, নতুন করে সেভ করতে পারবো, হয়ে গেছে।
It's working.
কাজ করছে,
আমার এটা সব ঠিক আছে, খালি নেটওয়ার্কটা সেম বানাই দিতে হবে।
এই যে কাজ করছে কাজ করছে। ভাই আপনি তো ওটা করেন।
Okay, added, bro.
ওটা ঠিক করে দিছি আমি অলরেডি, আর অলরেডি
ঠিক
আছে,
করে
এটা আবার
দিছে?
দিতেছে। হ্যাঁ
দেখো
I saved it.
সেভ দি।
ওটাতে রান করে দেন, ওই আমারটা রান করানো।
ওটা বসেন, ওটা বসেন।
হ্যাঁ ওটা কি করবো ওটা বলেন।
এই যে
ও আচ্ছা, আর তো কিছু করা লাগবে না, এটা আমি
এই
ঠিক করে
জায়গায়
দিই।
করলে
এটা আমি ঠিক করে তারপরে দিই।
হ্যাঁ আর একটু বুঝাই দিন কেমনে কি করছেন।
ওকে ওকে, আমি বুঝাই দিই। 7 switch time on. Switch time. Router 2. চেঞ্জ করলাম মাত্র,
মাত্র চেঞ্জ করে তো 1.13।
আমি দুটি 1.1 রাখছি। এখানে আমি আরেকটা ঢুকছি।
ऐसा
Yes, bro.
so you will go by no LRT, right?
না, he will go by grab.
Grab, you take a grab.
Yeah,
What
that's
about you?
the only option.
Huh?
What
No,
about
I have to buy LRT, so I should leave now.
LRT?
What about you?
LRT is like, oh,
I didn't do anything, bro.
আচ্ছা ভাই আমি তাহলে কালকে সকালে শুনে কখন আপনার উঠেন করে
রাতে ঘুমানোর প্রতি
No worries, I have given the.
নটার সময় উঠতে হবে।
আচ্ছা, did you open my file?
তাহলে আমি একটা সকালে চলে আসবো না, বুঝছেন? আসো তারা খালি
এটা ওপেন করছেন কেমন, এটা কয়া যায়।
আচ্ছা
everyone is. I don't know about
See.
the
এগুলো গেছেন।
না না বলবো কেন
It is saved, right?
দেখাই দিচ্ছি নেটে ইয়ে করতেছি না, সেভ করতেছি না। এটা হচ্ছে আপনি প্রথমে নিয়ে যাবেন ইম্পোর্ট এক্সপেরিমেন্টে যাবেন, এখানে কনফিগার ফাইল দিবেন, তো কনফিগার করবেন, তারপর এটা দিবেন যে ফোল্ডারে সেভ করছেন ওই যে যেখানে আছে ওটা যাবে এখন আমার আছে এটা কিসে
জিপ ফাইল দিয়ে করতেন না ধর নেট দিয়ে করছেন
জিপ ফাইলটা খুলছি আগে
হুম
হ্যাঁ তো ওই ফোল্ডারে যেতে হবে না ইউজারে গিয়া আপনার ডকুমেন্ট নেটসিম এখন অল ওয়ার্ক ছিল না এই যেটা ক্লিক করলাম এবার দেখবেন কনফিগার নামে একটা ফাইল আছে এই যে না এই যে কনফিগার নেটসিম এই যে
এটা ধরে দিলে ডান
এটা এই যে ওকে দিবেন একটা এরর আসবে এক্সপেরিমেন্ট নেম টেক্সট ফিল্ড ক্যান নট বি এমটি আচ্ছা দিতে হবে একটা পিবিবি দিলাম
ওকে ওকে
পিবিবি দিলেন তারপর ওখানে
ঠিক আছে
এক্সপেরিয়েন্স মানুষের
আপনি জানলে আমরা যদি রাত্রে খুলে ফেলি তাহলে তো আগে দেব
না না আসতে হবে কালকে
ও
ডকুমেন্টেশন
আচ্ছা ডকুমেন্টেশন না
হ্যাঁ প্যারা
পেন নেই
কারণ আমার তো বুঝছেন দুইটা করতে হবে
এখন করাইছ ভাই
আগে একটা কইরা তারপরটা আমি নিজে করে করতে হবে
ঠিক আছে
একটু খুলে দেন তো আমার
কোনটা
এই যে ল্যাপটপের উপর
এটা না
ট্র্যাক করে দেখ কোনটা
How much is around cost? We have to
what cost
the grab cost grab
for
8
from here to APU
হ্যাঁ
no 14 to 15
Yeah, because it's night, bro.
Yeah.
Too.
here to
বেশি
APU
আছে?
হ্যাঁ here to APU
আল্লাহ
you can check which computer should I detect
anything
here is
তাহলে আমি এক কাজ করি বুঝছেন বাসায় গিয়া ডিজাইন গুলা করি নাকি নাকি এই ডিজাইন দিয়ে জাস্ট চেঞ্জ করি
এটাই চেঞ্জ করে দেন না
আপনারটা কাজ হচ্ছে না
আমারটা কাজ করতেছে
বাট আপনি কি করছেন এগুলো তো মনে আছে
হুম।
তাও কি বুঝাইতে পারবেন না তাইলে
বলুন না একবার যেটা বুঝছি সেটা বলুন
you are going to the boogie jelly, alright?
Huh?
Boogie jelly.
yeah
LRT বুকে চলে
So then how you go to the COG?
It
it doesn't live in COG
Last time he said he go to the
no bro I live in Stapa
গেটওয়ে ঝামেলা এই গেটওয়ে চেঞ্জ করতে হবে কোনটার গেটওয়ে ঠিক আছে
গেটওয়ে কেন চেঞ্জ করবি
এই যে L2 সুইচের গেটওয়ে চেক করবি না এটা তো সব 1.1 দেওয়া
ভাই আপনার এসে গিয়ে
এই যে এটা তো 11.1
তো 11.1.1 আসিল না এটা তো 11 পয়েন্টই আসিল
চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেছে
showing only 10.
তার মানে সবই চেঞ্জ হয়ে যায়
যে কোনো একটা কর যে কোনো একটা ঠিক করে
এই যে করছি কোনটা করলাম
48
এটা ঠিক
স্যার আমাদের অনেক কিছু দেখায় নাই
না কিছুই দেয়
হ্যাঁ।
অনেক কিছু না কিছু দেয়
How many employees you choose in US?
কারণ আমরা তো ভাই নেটসিম জানি না এটা আমাদের শিখতে হবে।
রাউটারের আইপি চেঞ্জ করার পর এটা হচ্ছে অটোমেটিক চেঞ্জ
অটো চেঞ্জ
আচ্ছা আমি একটু ফালাই দিই না তো না ফালাই গেলো সমস্যা নাই
হ্যাঁ
না না তাহলে কোনো সমস্যা নেই
ইয়ে দিন লাইটারটা দিন ভাই আপনি সিগারেট নেন কটা রাখবেন আপনারা রাখেন হ্যাঁ রাতের বেলা বসে বসে
এটা কথা কইলেন
সমস্যা নাই রাখেন না বের নেই তো
দেখ শাইন কি করবি
এই দেখেন কটা সিগারেট রাখবেন রাখেন কারণ নাই রাতের বেলা বের
দিয়ে দেন সেটটা নিলাম
নেন লাইটার থাকতে স্যার
না
অন্য কারো আছে না লাইটার
আমার প্যাকেট নাই
সেটটা রাখলাম ধর
ইয়ে নাই ইয়ে মানে অন্য কারো আছে লাইটার নেন
তো আমার কাছে তো লেটার নেই
আপনার নাই তো দেন রাখো
আচ্ছা তাহলে কত
আপনি তাহলে
হুম তাই
ভাই কি গেছে গা
হ্যাঁ
ভাই সাবধানে দেন obviously it will work
What you did?
I just changed the gateway because we need to change the gateway for the switches.
Three switches.
Two, only two. We all use only two switches
So I'm telling you right now, don't use more than that.
because
You will get confused.
You can do. You can do, but you need 1 month of time.
We had 3 days, bro. 36 hours.
36 hours. No,
No.
more than 30, 72 hours.
40.
3 72
Just
hours.
try to explain something. Okay. The Ecto switch has 6 legs. Okay. Same here. Switch 4 is 73 are 6 legs. Okay. 6 legs. You use a different IPs from each leg. Am I right?
Yes. For each L2s.
Each L2s. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, done.
And one is connected.
Everyone is connected with everyone.
One is
Yes,
connected
like
with
that.
the two routers. Okay. What is the routers? What are the routers? Just forget about this one. L2 config, just forget about it. What is the numbers you use? What is IP? You use the router 1 and 2. What is the IP? What is the gateway? I mean, what is the IP exactly? Yeah.
Is it working, brother?
Yes.
কাজ করছ আমার এটা?
Yeah.
হ্যাঁ? হয়ে গেছে?
Yes, done.
হয়ে গেছে?
It's done.
হয়ে গেছে?
Yes.
কারোর তো তাইলে আইপিও চেঞ্জ করার দরকার নেই।
না।
খালি ডিজাইন চেঞ্জ করলে হইব। স্যার এত কি দেখবো?
But it's not opening, right? Another.
না, it's opening.
Yeah, it's opening.
It works.
Yes, it's for.
But
You will just copy and paste it and just
I'll
change
change
that
the design.
Just change the design. Yeah, you can do it here. No worries. You can do it here.
Taile
You can sleep in my bed.
No. Anyhow.
তাইলে ওই তখন আমি ওই যেটা করছিলাম ওটা তো মনে হয়ে যেত খালি ওইটার লেগা হইতাছিল না গেটওয়ে লেগা।
Yes.
Okay.
Go to the router 1 and
Router 1 is 1.1.
1.1. So router IP is 1.1. Am I right?
Yes, you are right.
So 2.1 for this.
Router 2.
রাউটার 2 না সুইচ
Router 2 or is L3 switch. Here.
So this is for L3,
L3.
switch 3.
Okay.
Okay.
What is the IP?
The IP is 1.1.
Bro, but if we just like
No
everyone's
confusion.
IP is
Just normal thinking.
what will
For the first switch
you won't
3,
say anything?
it's
What will you say?
1.1.
All of your IP.
I'm using the basic IP from starting from 1 to 10. What will you say?
I'm also doing this.
Yeah, they do the same nodes. Just to change the design.
Okay.
Yeah,
If you just say the design is
Is it
different, then
working? Fully configured is working.
Yes, the full thing is.
Yeah, it's like that. That
Yes, that's the speed.
What is it?
That's the speed.
What is it?
He will use the same thing.
Yeah, just copy my homework, but make it a little
Make it
different.
No, obviously we have to choose that. Lot of IP addresses are there. We have to use the
Yeah, you just change the save process.
You can change the IP of one or two labs.
Yeah.
But I won't. For him, I just suggesting that. But I won't.
I'm sorry, boys.
Why is
We are here from.
No, don't worry. Yeah, I'm feeling sick. If I not like that, I'm gonna stay here and I need
You
to
can stay here all night. We won't mind.
medicine also. Need some rest.
Have some 2 more caffeine. No worry,
Bro.
bro. I had
No, not the 2-1.
I had 1 pill and now I'm sleeping.
all that.
It's working.
Yeah, bro.
Guys,
I was like literally like.
Yeah, he was very sleepy. Yeah.
don't just take the pills.
You can
Take
see
some pills.
on my face.
Serious? Are you serious, man?
Are you serious? Because caffeine is not my friend. Because if I take
Even-
caffeine, I will sleep.
That's the case with me when I drink the coffee. I drink it and then sometimes I drink Monster and then I sleep. But that's when I'm too tired, you know, like
I didn't have any in my life. I didn't drink Monster.
it's
How is the taste?
that depends which one are you drinking.
I don't know. The green
That's
one,
for me.
the green one.
You know, it's good in like if you drink it again and again, then it's good. Like
So
first time it's
is it good?
That's
Good for
no,
health or
no,
nothing?
no,
Just normal drinks.
no. That's
Coke.
actually no. It's not like that. It's don't for like gym.
Bro, this is
Because
too much, man.
caffeine
What are
and
you doing?
everything.
Oh, for gym purpose,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
okay.
It's meant for gym purpose.
Meant for gym purpose.
Almost everyone.
Have fun.
Bro,
I got-
I got drugs.
Bro, he put a lot more. I told him to get
Why
some more.
only two? Only two. Give
No,
us.
no, no. Yeah,
You need it, man.
once you finish following it, do the streams.
You need it more than us, man.
Yeah, it's do
You
that.
the interesting thing you guys know is that drug dealing here happening in the camera. It's recorded in the camera.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
I am not involved.
Yeah, he's also involved.
I only took one. That's why I'm feeling.
See, yeah, here's the track.
Hello guys, I am Arab. I don't know much English. These guys are.
Astaghfirullah.
Hi, Luca. Hi, couscous.
Yeah. No, firstly, when obviously I am not subscribed to like any OTT for football.
Okay.
I am football fan. So most of the links I used to get, they were in RB. Okay,
Yeah,
RB
yeah.
commentary.
The main channel.
And I used I see.
You know the crazy about this the ball if getting the ball in running to the ball.
Allah.
Bro, but that's so good. And if your team are winning, that commentary is so good. Even if you don't understand anything.
One of my friend in university, he plays football, right?
Yeah.
He put the commentary in Arabic.
Oh, bro,
Yeah.
that's best. That's best.
He was playing. He just came to our room and playing the game. I'm saying, who played
Who
the
started the bayan? Yeah.
Manada? I was, and he was
Playing.
the friend was playing.
Bro.
Shit. I did. Then I get the comment that I use slang words.
I'm not gonna use much kind of things. I'm gonna give it now. I only use only 8 pieces of
It's our choice.
It's your choice. But we need to
Yeah,
in this setup, we just need to change the gateways of every PC.
That is the shittiest show.
What did you first? The show was
We need to change
For
the
back in the
gateway
day,
of the PC.
when the
those
prince.
Yeah, no,
Yeah,
just,
those two,
just,
you know,
explain that he says something.
two brothers.
ওই গেটওয়েটা দেখা তো গেটওয়ে কেমন চেঞ্জ করতে হয়
Gateway কেমনে চেঞ্জ করতে হয় না?
এটা না জাস্ট প্রত্যেকটা পিসির যে চেঞ্জ করতে হবে
Oh,
জাস্ট গো টু দ্য এভরি পিসি
okay. So here is the
This is the PC.
this is the main L2 switch IP.
Network.
Wait.
Published.
one time just put 91 in every
Yeah.
section of that
Yeah, for that it's the 9 1, and for this
it's
it's
11 one
11.
Yes, country the files and stuff.
Yeah.
I understand.
okay no problem we'll complete the project and give you.
You can do.
How?
You can do it in
Save for, save for.
Wait, I'm saving it.
Save one.
Okay, I will give you the file.
I have a half month. I'm going to stay here. Stay first.
Bro, listen to me
You can.
you are sick you are deprived just go to your house
Yeah.
in a
Make
place
quiet, like,
yeah
peaceful.
sleep you can come tomorrow also no
You
problem.
have 2 days. You
No,
have
no,
no.
No, not today. Bro, we have 73 hours. 73 hours.
I want to kill you first, okay?
Why? Astaghfirullah.
Your face is so bad. Just go to house.
Yeah.
Sleep
He's
well.
saying
Just
ugly.
sleep tonight. Don't work any.
yeah just
Tomorrow, if you forget anything, just call me. I will tell
Delivery.
everything.
I'm not
Or
gonna forget anything, but I'm probably if I come, if I want to come to place, I have use of four switches.
okay, if you come tomorrow, then I will help you with the 4 switches.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the only thing. I
Yes.
try to configure that one. Once it's finished,
Okay, brother. No worries.
Yeah, that's the accent I want. No worries.
No worries. This kind of
British
accents, the British.
Yeah, mate, you shut up.
You want the
Why are you faking your accent, bro?
yeah?
One time we were playing the game, right?
So
So
was faking it, but
yeah, I was taking the accent, and the person was Indian, right? Yeah, maybe he was Indian.
Okay.
So I was talking,
motherfucker,
and
don't tell this.
and and no, I'm not telling.
No, tell me now. Tell me.
So that person was very angry. He was race gamer, and he just said to me, "Why are you picking your accent?"
Oh, that.
Yeah. Should I tell the other thing?
No, no.
Hey,
Don't.
thing about the
Don't, man.
হ্যাঁ
Don't.
এই জায়গায় রাখিস না
কোন জায়গায় রাখলাম?
একটা নতুন ফোল্ডার ক্রিয়েট করছ না এখানে
Anime movies. Which movies? Tell me.
no I don't save all those movies in here
এনে যান।
download the নতুন ফোল্ডার নিউ ফোল্ডার এমনি করলে হইব না ইয়ার যেমনি কইছে ওই জিনিসটা করতে হলে এই করতে হবে
No, man, I did the easy way. Okay.
documents Netsim this is all work right so I have to gb
Yeah, this one.
this one
Do I need to
telegram yeah and go yeah download right click no
right click.
show in folder
So the third one.
you need to unzip it
Here.
cross also cross also this
Right click. The last second one.
last
The
extra
third one.
third one yes yeah and now go to the Netsim
Oh. Netsim. No, you need to open.
I think Netsim is here
No, it's not the Netsim.
open go to yeah, open it takes time so
Chill.
it will open yeah now go to the open simulation right one import go to the file no not the second one second one choose the second one
Configure
the folder
Oh, he chose.
and
Scroll up, the download. Yeah, Telegram.
choose the go to the all work again you scroll see there is any config file
Config or EN?
no
EX or like that.
CON.
see any config file
This? No,
the third one I guess the
Third one, the .NET. Yeah, this one.
yeah okay
Okay.
yeah okay oh you have to name it something yeah go okay yeah it is yeah
Come on, don't fuck it up.
no
Done.
Now what I need to do? I need to change the IP, right?
Showing 10
we need to thank Nobel for this innovative solution
I'll just looking at this. I cannot. No. That's why you guys are here. You can go.
It's lobby. If I reach the lobby, Wi-Fi is working. Campus Wi-Fi is working. Which lobby? Campus lobby. The front side of the campus lobby.
Yes, it's
Okay.
So if you book it from here, you don't need Wi-Fi from your university.
No, I have to pay the money.
You don't have cash.
I have to do this. That's all the cash I have.
There's too much of space. Not repeating.
So where do we start? Where do we start?
I think this is too much for you, Arjun. This setup is too much. You have to you simplify your design. I think. How many pieces you wanted to do? Just getting idea.
No, same.
Same.
Bro,
Same. You will
I
just
already made the design, but yeah, I'll change the.
You just need to move the router to the middle.
yeah. He knows. He's a great designer.
Don't.
No, he's not a great designer. He's a great Netsim player.
Ah.
You're making
Eh,
a flex now.
Every time he comes to the come closer to the net sim, it doesn't work.
Yeah, it's flex. I'm too good.
Yes, he's too good.
Can measure the
So where should we start? Okay,
Oh,
now.
shit.
In 1 hour, I need to complete it. Is it possible? Don't give me false one, okay? Don't give me.
Why should I give something?
Really?
Because now it's working.
Yeah, you will come to the you will just see the gate. The gate
Start
where
from
the
there.
punches the card and come. There will be
I'll show you one thing. So you need to change this gateway, okay? The gateway will be
Nianda.
three.
See you. Inshallah. Finish.
Inshallah. So you need to do that. First three things are same, and the last one will be one. Okay, copy all that whole thing.
Yeah?
Yeah, here. Paste, and the last thing is one. Done. Okay. You need to do same thing for the. Hold on.
Last will be
Yeah,
one or two.
only one. Yes. Copy this. Copy this. Copy.
You don't need to change IP address?
No, everything is fine.
Sure.
Everything is fine. Check this. Now, Alt A. Alt A. Stop. Control C. Yeah, third piece.
That's all good.
Do the things.
You have to eat in the night, right? You want to cook? You want to cook? Or just eat outside?
Don't have money for eating outside. I have maybe 10 or 11. What do you want to eat if you go outside?
Nasi goreng?
Nasi goreng. Okay. Even Asan haven't eat.
No, bro, but if I eat now, it will be too late for me to reach home.
No, not now. After completing this.
No, yeah.
Obviously, because we didn't even. Maybe he will come tomorrow.
Oh,
Say that.
Yeah, I know. After. Fine.
That's right. That time he was outside. I locked the gate. And then he said, keep it. Keep it. Come later.
It's mine now. Is it charging? Is your phone? এইবার অরুণ স্যারের গোষ্ঠী চুক্তি ইচ্ছা করে না
Why?
স্যার কি কইছিল যে if we need to do subnetting we need to change the network but when I change the network it didn't work শেষ তো তাই তোর কাজ হইতাছে ওইগুলি সব ঠিক করা ওইগুলি সব ঠিক কইরা আমার বাড়ি
and for this one, like
Yeah.
this
Go,
is done.
Huh?
This is done. Okay? This lab is done.
this lab whole lab
No,
done
no,
but
this is
change it also. Properties that was not wait go to the last one 1040 and the bandwidth 8. Okay. And the data link change engaged. Then for the access point, also yeah, it already changed itself. PhD. For this PC, every network you need to do the same.
And what about this one? But gateway for this?
Don't go there. Same. Everything will be same. Go properties. Go. See. It's 7. Third one is 7.
Okay.
So copy this. I already fixed it. Yeah, it will be the 7 one. 7. So copy this and paste it. So you got it.
Okay.
Every third one is the main one. You need to change the only the last one. Okay. Got it.
No worries, I'll call you in 10 minutes.
Oh no, I'm here for you, man.
রবিবার কাম করতে হইব, রবিবারের কাম করতে হইব, নাহলে তোর টাকা নাই।
না টাকা একেবারেই নেই, আব্বু সাইডে টাকা আছে 75 রিঙ্গিতের মতো আছে বিশেষ। হ্যাঁ আসলে কি কমো আর তো কিছু দিতে নেই, 50 টাকা রাখছি।
ওই যে আন্টি আইতে আইতে 2 রবিবার পাবো আমরা, ওখানে ওই কাম করলে অ্যাট লিস্ট
এক
150
রবিবার
রিঙ্গিত
না
পাবো।
পাইলেও একটা রবিবার তো অ্যাটলিস্ট একটা না পাইলেও একটা তো পাবো, মানে ধর এটা পাইলাম না একটা তো পাবো। টাকা আছে, টাকা আছে একেবারেই নাই না এরকম না, টাকা আছে। তিন তিনটে টাকা আছে না, মাননি
হুম,
24 টা আছে।
ও টাকা
pain, no pain, I have money. Sorry for wasting time.
You are learning, bro.
Because
That's not wasting.
ultimately we call Sama for the main thing.
Try it out, guys. You tried it for them. I didn't even do anything, bro.
But the end result is 0. What's the point of being trying? But at least I tried. Now it's clear for me because I failed it. If I haven't failed, I didn't understand what Usama is telling.
We learn from mistakes.
I always do mistake.
So how much was the power?
100. First one is 100, second one is 10. If you change in the data link also. VHT. No, second. This one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the second one, yeah. 10. In the data link, second data link, sorry. Is VHT. Yeah. Come na very good.
Very good.
Master with that.
What are you doing? Changing the gateways? Return, right? Yeah, I will complete it all. Let's run it. I guess what to where run? From where to where should I run it?
Longest point.
Longest point.
Yeah.
From 9. From 9 to where?
71.
From 9 to if it fails, that means I haven't changed one from 71 or that one. No, I'm just running.
Yeah, it will run.
Yeah, it is running. I changed all the gateways now for the settings.
So bro, now what do I have to do for the third one?
Same thing.
No, for the default gateway.
Yeah,
For the default, yeah, it's 11.
11.1.
Yeah. Did you change the wireless IPs also?
For one.
Yeah, 11.1. Copy it
Okay, and same.
and do for all the devices. You know, you don't have to do all this.
Okay.
I'm changing it. Right? I just pass the file after completing all.
You already completed.
Completed only the gateways.
And then
The AC, the wireless.
don't do it.
But you have the practice.
He didn't need practice. He just need to complete it. Pass the.
Yeah,
Pass the
I'll
interview.
just change the
Yes, change.
100,
100 and 10.
10
Yeah. Go to the data link.
bandwidth 160.
Bandwidth 160 or 80 would be better. Go to
Data
the data
link
link.
and
VHT.
GST.
Yes.
That's it.
Done. You need to change it into the access point also.
1.
Second one.
4. No, spell 5, 1.
Check the access point. Check the access point.
I changed access point first.
You change it first.
Yeah, if we change the access point first,
Yeah, I know.
Then we don't have to repeat it all for the. Yeah, all done. Ah, don't change it, man. I have changed all the. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Please, please,
I
please.
did something. Now, what would it be for the last one? Should change here.
But one, it, I said it. 9.1.
To have one.
is working.
I'm done with the
It's
setups.
embarrassing, okay?
Should I? Okay.
Yaba doesn't look like this. Do you guys have Yaba in India? Yaba, the red pill.
Red pill.
Do you know anything about drugs? That's the question I should be
No,
asking.
I mean, I know
Yeah,
from
you
the
know
movies and
something.
everything, but I've never seen in real life.
I've never seen in India.
I have not, bro.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
the-
yeah.
He's not.
Yeah, let
because
me.
I am a health conscious.
But you would have known about that.
I know the foreign drugs. Like, I just know because of watching movies, as I told you. Like LSD.
This is
Bong and
called the Yaba.
okay.
This is the
So
one.
what? Like, it gets you high or something?
Yeah, every drug gets you high.
So,
The only difference is what hits you hard.
It's
you know, you
like a
won't believe
caffeine.
what people do in India, like for getting high. So most of them are students. And they don't
Yeah,
have enough money,
Yeah,
so they do.
most of them would have to students.
And it's so bad in South. It's so bad, man. Like where Amal is from, that part. Alhamdulillah, Amal is not like that. Not his part, but his state.
His state, which
Kerala.
Kerala. Oh,
That's famous for weed.
Mhm.
Even bro, this is this funny incident. Okay, we used to play football. I told you, right? So even in bachelor, I used to play, and most of my friends were Malayali because of Malayali means Kerala.
Kerala.
Yeah, because it was my bachelor's I did in Karnataka, and it was hostel was filled with Malayalis. There was this one guy, our senior, just before coming to the play, he used to hit one joint, then he used to come. And bro, he used to run so fast, like he's like this. You can literally see in his eyes that he's just smoked a joint. Okay, he used to play very well, bro. I don't know how.
I have a friend who just eat a cocaine.
Oh, bro, that's next level.
Cocaine and then study whole night. Yeah,
Oh,
studied whole night and is in the
sheesh.
exam.
Wow. That
Uh,
was
Out
real.
of 50, he gets maybe 48. Sorry, 48 out of
Because your English was correct. Yeah, you get 48 out of 50. It was
Yeah.
correct sense.
I just.
Actually, it's not about the sentence correcting of the. You are understanding my English? Yeah,
That's the point, right?
Yeah,
We understand. We are not gonna judge you. And the thing is, even if we can, the people who are born in English country, like they can't judge us because it's not our first language. Right?
Yes.
We can say something in our mother language to them. They'll just shut up.
Change the VST second.
Dog. Distracting. What a job.
Okay.
Apple.
We won't distract you. Yes.
সেভ করতেছি পাঠাই দিই সবাই রে তারপরে তো দিব না মেসেজ দেই চেঞ্জে পাঠাই দিই তারা মেসেজ দিই ওরা না তোরটা তো ঘুরিয়ে দিতাস
That's not.
তোরা দিতাস Hassan
Accent.
this is
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
accent. Yeah.
That's my jersey, which I wear, but I can't play. You just open my profile, yeah.
Yeah,
Just
yeah,
open
no.
my that profile photo.
This is after.
Yeah.
This is a
Let's open your.
Just spell what is written. Like pronounce that.
swag.
This swag.
Swag.
It's actually Swag. That's my surname.
This swag.
This swag, yeah. And
It's your
yeah.
So you have swag in your name.
Yeah.
Swag means in Marathi. You know Marathi?
Yeah.
Marathi. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Swag means tiger.
Tiger.
Wow, only Wa means tiger.
Wag.
Wag means tiger.
But I don't know where it originated from. It's just my surname.
This wag.
Swag, yeah. And you know, like I have this problem since my childhood. Nobody, okay? Nobody takes my name, like pronounce it correctly. No one. Ahsan, Ahsan, like it's Ahsan. But everyone like, so I now I become yeah. Yeah, some people Hassan, yeah. I just used to it, bro. What do we have to do for applications?
Yeah, application means from which PC
Wait,
PC
wait,
you
wait,
want
wait,
to
wait,
connect.
wait, wait. Yeah, no. We have to change something.
Oh, we have to change something. Yeah. Where is the ES man? Encryption. I got it.
AES, yeah.
City, and here is the PC 48 to 61. There is the 61.
It's closer. We need some more. We need some more distance.
Okay, you
There
need
is 83.
83.
Maybe I'll show you how to do this.
Okay,
Then we run.
show me. That's it, same.
Some VST isn't changed. Go to that node and change the VST.
24, where's 24?
24, 25, and
Yeah.
26.
25, 26, 27, 28.
The whole
No.
thing. The
No,
whole.
I just changed it.
The whole thing. you need to
25.
change.
Yeah, we'll start from 25.
Go to
Second
data
one,
data link.
second
Data
one.
link. VST. Check the access point. Check the access point.
The access one.
Maybe the access point is in DSSS.
Cross it. The access point. The middle.
Oh,
one.
yeah.
The last one. Yeah.
It is
You
in
need to
DSSS.
change this.
Just change to VST and all
Okay.
other is in VST.
Okay.
And run.
Then run.
No, I haven't changed any access point.
What? That's
Everything may be changed automatically.
Where's
This was.
this is why I told. This is why I need to hit here. It's done?
Done.
This is not hard. 48, 49, 50. Why is it
Being
like that?
clear. Same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Check. Second one. Then the physical layer. Close it. Run it again.
What's it?
Yeah, what's the
Physical. No. Go to the arrow. Go to the arrow. Run. The arrow is mix match in data link layer physical type.
48, 49, 50, 30, and 46.
Access point 30.
Data link. Bandwidth is 20.
No, every bandwidth is 20.
Every bandwidth is 20.
He didn't change it.
Okay.
Check the other ones. 49.
What about the AP? Yeah, everything seems to okay. Why is there?
Same
Mismatch in data.
values set for the filter. Means the last one. Same value should set for if. So all the gateways are same. Check it. Here isn't any gateway. Check 11.1, 11.1.
Wanted this is pure Malayali accent.
One, 11. You need to change it in third. Five, 11. Yes. Yeah. Dot, comma. Okay. Check it. Paste. You need to change paste also. Right. Send. Go to other thing. Yes. Everything.
Only one problem in the node.
Yeah.
One node was the problem, but
Everything it was showing everything.
because it is connected to the same
Yeah,
network.
yeah.
That's right.
What if it doesn't work?
No, it will work.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. It will work, man.
He's crying.
100%.
Finally.
Oh.
Yes, you can see.
Can increase the speed.
No,
No, it's
it
fine.
just slow and steady wins the race.
Ooh. So why?
No, it's same. Somehow.
So, okay, now tell me this, okay? What do we have to do just for the task 2? We have to like take this screenshot also or just the model?
No, you need to do the first thing is there are some routing protocols, the OSPF and the RIP. You need to compare. Here we use OSPF,
Okay.
so you compare those things.
Okay.
Then you need to tell that why you use
OSPF.
Done. That's one. Then I'm showing you the parts. So see, the routing protocols and the standards. What's the standards? The standards are the IEEE 800 AC.
Yeah. Okay.
So here there were so many A, B, C.
Yeah, so all of them.
All of them you need to differentiate.
Okay.
Why
Okay.
AC was chosen?
Yeah, why you AC?
Why we choose up here?
Yeah, done. Then the data security. So the data security will tell you ChatGPT. Then the LAN, how the packet is secure, and the topology. So we use the hierarchical model.
Yeah.
You need to tell about the hierarchical model, and the topology is also in the hierarchical
It's
style.
kind of hybrid.
Hybrid.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we have used wire and wireless both.
Both.
Yeah, that's why it will be the
It's kind of hybrid.
And-
ChatGPT will tell you what
Yeah.
kind of
No,
hybrid.
I better option. Suggestion.
Sure.
You guys complete your report. You send me. I will send that to ChatGPT. I will tell her, bro, just change all this word, but keep the content. And I will give my no. My IPs are same, right?
Yes, everything is same.
That's
Oh,
my
you have to change one thing.
Okay, what? change, go to some of the PCs and change the device name. That will make things easier. You change, just it will change the. You see,
I
its
did
name
it
is Word Node 41. But I think giving the report to the ChatGPT wouldn't be a good idea.
Okay.
Because
Change it.
all our IPs are same and that.
Yeah, everything
Yeah, the plagiarism will.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just see what it is. Then I'll write on my own.
Yeah, teacher give us a sample report.
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing works.
Okay.
You just give it to the
ChatGPT.
GPT, tell them this is my network, this is my diagram design, and give me the same thing but different.
Same symbol. Okay.
Yeah, same thing but.
So what should I name then? Should I name all of our classmates?
No. Use one PC1, PC2 or something like that.
For every
No, not every.
For one or
but
two.
3 or 4.
Suppose this is go to right click there, properties. Here lab 1.
lab one.
Yeah, lab 1.
Lab 1. Okay. Yes. And for other choose lab 3 and lab.
আমার একটা পাতলা মাল যেত।
পাতলা মাল লাগবে?
তাই?
পাতলা মাল দিছ?
That's not. Then what for the PCs?
No, just change here main router or
Main and backup.
main and backup. No, main router 1, main router 2. Just not the backup. Main router 1. Because sometimes the backup one becomes the main, or sometimes the main one becomes the backup. And now you know.
You don't need to change access point names.
You can.
For which one?
What?
Your setup, you know. You designed this.
No idea.
Tell Arun sir that. I didn't do this. I take it from my friend. And
Yeah, no worries.
he could just repeat the 0 place. Why do you want the 0?
I'll say all my friends.
Yeah, you will say which friend? Friend 1, friend 2, friend 3.
The friend is Dishwak.
This one. Yeah.
When you talk with your family, you use Marathi or Hindi?
Urdu. I mean, yeah, Hindu, Urdu. Me. I mean, both are practically same.
But in your state, they use Marathi the most. Right?
Yeah, but not in my house and not in my.
I mean, your
surroundings
state.
here.
I mean, state.
Well, actually, the thing is, most of the Hindu people they use Marathi mostly,
Okay.
but they know Hindi too.
But the Muslims are using only the Indian.
Urdu. Yeah, Hindi. Urdu.
Hindi or Urdu.
Yeah. And there is this a mixture of Hindi and Marathi. Marathi and Urdu. It's called Kokni. Kokni. Yeah.
Kokni.
That's some of Marathi and some of Urdu. That is mixed. There's so many languages. Hundreds. I don't know. You can just ask ChatGPT how much it is. Yeah, I think I'm done. Both.
Save it.
And you can send this to yourself.
That is it. What's the name?
Just cross it.
Good? He saved it.
No. What's the name? Experiment name? ERT. Yes.
This one.
Yeah, this one.
Export?
No.
No?
He can use the export because mine's
Yeah,
one is
you
what
use on what?
Yeah,
Mine's need the
export.
special treatment.
Path, select the path. Downloads. Okay, select no. Okay. Proceed. No, it will process automatically. Go. Yeah. This is the folder. Copy. Control.
one?
Yeah.
No, that's different one. That's the first. Reload. Oh, you are in
Oh,
Telegram
here in the
desktop.
Telegram desktop. That's why. EXP.
No.
No, first one. Copy it.
Yeah,
Click
boy.
it. Copy. Go to the paste.
Control V. Then what do I do now? Huh?
After that,
No,
you need to save it. Then
Open in Netsim.
open the Netsim,
Hmm.
and in the Netsim there is export option.
Export or import?
Export. Import. Import export.
Yeah.
Why do you care, bro? The main assignment is saved with me.
I know, but everything is not here. Only your work is here.
I think it's in the workspace options. Do anything.
I know. So you need to go import experiment, then select the file. Where is the file you have downloaded?
Okay.
Select it. Open.
Give it a name.
Okay.
Already maybe some problems.
Ah,
I will. No worries. You need water?
No, I just want to say I'm sorry for being so dumb because you guys need to explain me every single thing step by step.
No, for you, my English will.
I don't think we have ever spoke this much English.
Yeah. From
There's so much people in our room. We have to talk in
English.
English. Even we have to talk with Nobel and my friend in English too,
English too.
Yeah.
because you wouldn't understand
Yeah.
it.
No, actually, that's
No.
actual thing that we are not supposed to talk.
But the thing
If
is,
we are 3 or 4 lines.
no. But the thing is,
You guys are used to it. So
no. Not the used to problem. So suppose you're Nobel, I'm telling you some Bangla
Yeah.
things that is not much important to hear you.
yeah.
That's
Yeah.
why we're talking.
Yeah. But the thing is, what the other person will think. These guys must be talking something.
Like
Mhm.
not talking something about me or
Yeah.
There's the
That-
problem
yeah.
also. Yeah.
That's the reason we
Yeah.
are not supposed to talk.
Mhm. Okay, we learned something from you.
No, it's not. For you.
make me blush. Oh my God, he's complimenting me.
Why would he go to class? Because he's in rainbow.
No, I'm not, bro. I'm not.
Yeah, Nobel is. But
Yeah.
let's go.
In Nobel's mind, there is always the thing is six.
That's girls. That's all he cares about.
You won't eat?
No, bro. I gotta go. Seriously, no. You guys are waiting for me.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. No, I gotta cancel, bro.
Call Grab anytime.
You can call Grab, yeah, anytime. Bro, Grab always working, man. We just completed our assignment. Sometimes I thought that if I use accents, then I can speak English more better than
Yeah.
because
No, the first thing. That's the thing. First I need to improve my English. I need to. Then I will Then I will try accent.
But I think if I try accent, I can improve in English.
Okay. Okay.
Sometimes.
কয়টা নিমু
Oh. So না খেলো
Not forgetting. Yeah, but I didn't bring
If
anything.
you
So what would
forget anything,
No, I didn't even bring anything to forget.
এই চাবি আর এটা লাও চাবিটা লাও ইয়াটা লাও কার্ডটা লাও আমি নেবে
Bye.
I have to stop this stream.
Theory clear থাকলে ভাই এতক্ষণ লাগে আমার কতক্ষণ লাগবে